China for car. Now penny passer. Say ho. Sino track. Shackman. For any time of great must be ho. Now quadrin pass. No bonnet for 2-4 now for best service so can no be fine. Was so pay. Engine housing, whole brake drum, springs, suppressor bar, Opel V-bar, whole headlight, Shackman H3000 headlight, Opel Shackman F3000 headlight, filter, hop seal, Opel wheelboard, Opel brake band, Opel brake pod bag, Opel brake pod front, oil butter, a great must be ho, and I'll qua Ubenya Biato and a bonnet form, a ya papa, out the yo cana, Okano, ebetime atiapo, Ako Jenny, said the Opel overheating no me bianca no and common quenche bia meto enu nti se okumase a for the chemu e wo so magazine makru ha udu makru for ni fani road kwasi pon SHS no me de nhwem opemo brekuma omo brekum magazine ho brekum for no frɛ 0550 630 664 0550 630 664 and a sunyani uramo sunyama zina sunya for mum for 0274 0257 0257 491211 0257 491211 and a kumase for no moso mum for 0242 633 091 na money great must be for any common bibia eso enya fine ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services Dr. Nimosebra yade biafru tisukosu na ase wantuma ansa na nim dia na nyame de cha ni nwuma na okosua no okosua ne say Dr. Nimosien kanto seba ni what scientific clinic omo ya ade say obi a wo kasa na pampan edi akire wonu yi nkan wo kasa na nkrofo abrew na omo etwe mu tinenso de wunim kono mu nto asem fama wo yire mpo ne ukunu ne wo da obre haso ena no akino penis enlargement obama no ombama na posi kakraka udi pia oba bibia pemme o kombetom na ye typhoid ne ha wo cancer problem hypertension wo stroke diabetes kun kase no emu suwanya problem wo kase emu dompe no oko ni what scientifica o beto ase dia ma liver diseases na no beto ase dia ma ulcer wo sisina ya wani wo problem o pose wani obi wu kro nim se wo kodidi wo bola so da bia wani ayegon wani ayeko wani pruso ko ha o beto ase amedu na dwa wuntimi na ni nyina no beto ase dia ma wo se brakuma se o wa tonso mo na ko junction wani dance road bank ne dia ntwe akra so udu or photo from inside one Goil station in a pen so one NS chemist any dim from 0244 087687 0279 087687 ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services fana bibia enya kama ma mesi penny pam yenu pe edoma kwa brochire emema say ba ko ba ka ba ko pe fana mpa sesi 0241 272 0241 272 ya penipa emema mi erudu akwa bruchiri fresesi ai ni amfa nko onkrata asem adwuma akwa no enyina so edao kama eno ye tie Sompa 93.1 FM sire brani nie ukina ko nie ye be break it down touch it down and knock it down ajeja mu yompo mo no nsemo ye nsha sefu Formula 1 afi Formula 1 season no eguso etodwa na kopema eye ade se china 7 p.m. ewo America United States of America and a United States Grand Prix no esu ebetuma todwa na kopema betodwa ewo Circuit of the Americas eho and a dwumadie no esu ebetuma todwa na kopema enura sadia Formula 1 event be betodwa from Friday and in Saturday omukoya practice 1 and practice 2 no omutime de pempem so na abranche ofi Netherlands ye fan Max Verstappen wetima sakoya deni biem we practice and warrior as wetima ko fastest I just want your fastest timer omde bonaba so and you abranche Max Verstappen and two pema china ba United States Grand Prix na ebetuma todwa enu na joining on Sompa TV a daso kama ye jamu yon podium 28th a da a classic kobeto dwa a da pemo riada a descent to kwachen chenchebi e betman to dam na san tokano e bebweje baja ni nyina se Cameroonian ye fan Francis Ngannou and Tyson Fury and a diba pem so na on some bout no promo na ba ma me de won sempi ababa down na pema brantia na oye MMA na so no pema a mixed martial artist ye feno Francis Ngannou Mike Tyson and a training no and then training na metema o join your Sompa TV wadin se kantoma wiata so ese kowa ni kowa dobewu nebewu eye day what the Tyson Fury what the pem ho wabapono and 28th October Riyadh Saudi Arabia and a Santo Quano and so betuma baso and no edeba mi jama mamingra mo Brazil or more and national team no pema on some national team no or right from Fernando Denisa where coach no where caretaker where church one permanent manager one substantive manager na omo per manager our baba jama Brazil national team no one or Real Madrid the Don Carlo Ancelotti the doctor as to edim come na upemo CBF empanyin force se de omo parententem omo se omo here answer from Carlo Ancelotti as soon as possible said Jumano Obaba already waka yes e di achiromo na contract won sensem no wonyansan ye entesa ayese ojeju omo ase Obaba oma no omo se by the end of this year or some the Don Carlo Ancelotti the doctor omo timini ni wie no omo sampa opai na adwuma no Obaba beye anase omeye na adoa no fu edonra ebi entimi wo na ukasa Obaba beye adwuma no na se bredi do na nkratensem biado a bind wa esa ne ha adwene eno ede fro ma so ye ba ye jeja mo me kwa Argentina na Argentina omo so mo World Cup qualifier ebipo na omo game on babo no a game on Uruguay and on the 17th of November na omo pem Argentina omo ayi stadium omo sa game no ho omo su pem baby Boca Juniors omo su omo kan Buenos Aires Argentina stadium ye fan Bombonera stadium no Bombonera stadium fa di 57,000 ho and Boca Juniors omo su omo kan omo se ho no ma nominate sa stadium no as a game against Uruguay ye opemo comebo omo fit round of World Cup qualifiers no ho eno betime opono eno edeba ye jejamu yompo eso demamo ene e wodwumadie no so ye gusu tim konwa so e break no ma down attach no ma down mamim pem e wo bibrem ha opem the maiden edition of African Football League no eno etimi chase from quarterfinals 8 teams 1 trophy and no pray na pem no first game to dwa e Tanzania na opening ceremony no na eswani na so kache amanfo keka eso twa and no beautiful opening ceremony and yetimi witness ye opem e Benjamin in Kappa National Stadium e Tanzania and no opening ceremony no eswani so kache na ede na efe na akono and no opem a lot of dignities and yetimi baye na wotwa and no opening ceremony no me etimi tutodwa event outdoor etimi baye activities outdoor omutimi perform ya indeed Tanzania okopem Benjamin Mkapa National Stadium na se fani past 60,000 and no attendance no na sold out and no attendance no massive na ni petime pem no na eswani so ka chodwani Sompa TV and no opening ceremony maiden edition African Football League no Tanzania and ye jejamo aswa jamawa e bo anoma pi ma yem feel background no said no ma koye kakra. ɛyɛ nura opiamo Tanzania Simba ɛne team ɛfɛ Nadi Elali from Egypt ɛna sɛ before kick off no opening ceremony ɛhɔ ɛna team todwa na yɛntwɛ FIFA president your friend Jenny Infantino and on so be PMO Jumadina say the maiden edition of African Football League na Jenny Infantino as we etimi kasaye edin sempi to dan yentie kakra
Simba nguvu moya Simba nguvu moya Let's boys. Okay. Karibu Tanzania. Well, this is passion. This is love. This is Tanzania. This is Africa. This is Simba. This is Ahli.
No, a FIFA president, your fellow a Jenny Infantino, referee Colina, so Pima or no, and a referee for United Chiefs, no, and as also to be graceful case, I'm a player Kama, and we are there, but you check game Nikaka, and we are game 90 minutes. Our Benjamin Mkapa National Stadium game between Simba and the team, a friend Nadi Elali from Egypt, quarterfinals, and we're a 2-2, a game, and we dinner a game a fair now try game no shasia and a brantia or Bodma Ali your friend Reda Salim at Tuatina Edikai 45 minutes that's the first half now 45 minutes plus 1 and what you go at 2 more and watching on a brantia or no see your friend Kibu Dennis or Bodma Simba and your equalizer a man bear 1-1 and no and a demo and watching on our Roma a brantia on Sergio Canute as Enya second goal at my Sompa Manuque 2-1 and assisted 3rd minute a Branton Subodma earlier your friend Mahmoud Karaba as we know a second goal Manuque 2-2 equalizer at my tima your friend early until 90 minutes a 2-2 and no and now a Brantia the maiden edition Upema in the history book of African Football League what's the first goal our records ni di Muta, a Ali player, your friend Reda Salim, now patro so from funny picture and Tosomame, or no down because of so I recorder history book in the Roman or more I picture the gold and the 20 pictures on the first player, African Football League, what much of first goal, and maybe back camera, and Tom the gold, I picture camera, and on the Asuo, Upemo Kafa, on the Kokav Museum, I'll be able to acquire or records, send history no bekano since announced the maiden edition of a African Football League a chance a year your friend 2023 a branch your friend Reda Salim and a first goal and no and picture and tasu kama and we are there a simple coach Roberto Oliveira Goncalves after the game on so a Kasai it's a 2-2 na omo a boy so mutifio no about 2-2 enter the 2
our capacity here okay 2-2, okay, but we play aggressive in second half with the ball. We play offensive. I'm very happy, I'm satisfied about
no ayan sama owura ono so ayan manager edima etima ye friend ayan Simba owura Roberto Oliveira Goncalves edia tudwa esen kwani nyame anim ne eno 2-2 na omo boy no eya dia score line performance no na osan komunya win no mbo game bi we ya no anadwena ena Ali team no return ye ebe piem o Cairo ene team e friend no ayan Simba eso ebe fly from Tanzania akopiem o Cairo ni nyina second leg ebeto dwa on the 24th eye Tuesday and a second leg ebeto dwa yantwa ene games ebeto dwa ewo African Football League no and the Sena games no esu ebesiako opema ebo 3 ene tima yefan Petro di Luanda omo Angola omo Mamelodi Sundowns free South Africa and ochina TP Mazembe and Esperance omo Tunisia ebebo ochina 3 p.m. na chira enyimpa eso abo without AC and you chira 6 p.m. and you so far games outdoor and so African Football League no ebeto dwa so far Euro 2024 ebeto dwa o Germany na omo we jersey ompe yusu no already with home jersey no eso eda bro na matabri ni setabri nwa editors for and na ja omo de Benjamin Musiala ede na shane kama enu ye Germany away jersey ompe yusu for Euro 2024 and I'm diamond no ye wemo the Turkish Super Cup a game Fenerbahce and Galatasaray and bebo na Saudi Arabia omze said ye football omna ereni football ni omudia so Roma Fenerbahce and Galatasaray game no confirm sombe no Saudi Arabia na ombe no Riyadh na agoprama ye fan all a world park ho and ombe no Riyadh and we are 30th December and a Turkish Super Cup and so ebetoka and we deba now pema young fan told said the Liechtenstein Football Association at the announcement about as a Euro 2024 qualifier omuni omaya fan Portugal ebebo no ombe no dabe next month November and ombe almost say omni take it in the buy no take it no sold out within 9 minutes na omaton take it in na ada Ronaldo in Portugal eba be pemo Liechtenstein and until take it in the buy no 9 minutes na sold out and you deba na Morocco for almost said ya apai no and upema the Royal Morocco na say football federation no omatma prove as ebesi stadium for na stadium Morocco for besi no the capacity no 113,000 seater stadium and ebesi ninyana some say idea no some person World Cup 2030 Morocco Spain Portugal air coast no stadium kafana no be host Morocco on safana per reporter Banase Madrid Santiago Bernabeu and be hosti say sebe posi trade Dama Bernabeu and wala porta credit to da as a 2030 World Cup semi-final ebeto dwawo Spotify campaign omunya ankafana ne mraso Bernabeu nanso emraso campaign nanso edebe ko Bernabeu Morocco for some sunya fana na omope entombesi stadium eson ebefa nipa 113,000 said a bear ombenya the north eja host the fana eno edeba mi jamo eso edamamo mamintin simo Saudi Arabia na opema ne Portugal omo icon e fan Ronaldo one Al Nassr boboko no omo shetu even Denmark ewo Al Nassr omo stadium na opema Denmark coach akache ni defenders no SN Al Nassr omo players me no bakwe Ronaldo misunkuma lewa ana bakwe Sadio Mane omo mienu no adese defenders ni hwo mu ye eno omo jibola emo omo nche emo omo nyina gyina ball so omo jibol na tum na omo jabo na omo pia na ball no ko eno ye Denmark omo coach nsama wode ato omo defenders no eso nim eso omo ntwe ne na Al Nassr players no ye hwe training na no omo ye na hwe Sadio Mane omo table ketekete eso asi ho eno omo de omo ti no omo nan eno omo ti elbow na hwe Mane na ni abre onim agrodi sa train omo ye training match no Mane press o wini o joani ye no na daso a ye jejamo na na me to anim se ene game on babo no omo be pay special tribute edama misunkuma lewa Ronaldo na ni nyina no so pema wo about 200 games edama Portugal national team owura mu 2023 o per highest goal scorer misunkuma lewa Ronaldo so far was 40 goals in the year 2023 and na journey on Sompa TV uko Facebook omo tifona and on penal to anim on betre go to na gum and ader no design stadium eswanya wie and de be kosunie na sabana na omo de be konyina no omo de ka wie banana no ma ye ready tifa on pe go to no and no ma tre go to no and I send the picture no edawo and number 7 ni nyina ye ne de be sia omo de ma misunkuma lewa Ronaldo na Ronaldo packet one where your banana as when a down and you a tifo nan casana and your supporters no ebe row na ebano and also and a down now Ronaldo Jr. and one of one first game official game at the Al Nassr omo under 13 na and one for the agro akwano boy Ricardo on your video no mamia and come pe and no akwadan chira Sompa akwadan so ni oswose na osane se and no Al Nassr under 13 and a Jesse number 7 and I just watch and papa Jesse and as one swaje na and no obo no not ni nuama no as we draw air channel on one casa family e back we run siblings e ni nua e ma na miensa e wo stadium and as some air Ronaldo Jr. as one so e bo adwuma obo no na se ni nuama na hwe no omu nyina hye ni Jesse and number 7 and a Ronaldo Jr. as we go chiri and no e de ba na game no pa na we no omu hye omu nua no as we ha ge no e mo se family e nyina eta na chi e ma na ye fe e ma na ya akono e no e de ba ye jeja mo eso e de ma mo dwumadie no so na wura mo Inter Miami o master coach Javier Morales e de atudwa ese Messi e game o mo ne Charlotte FC be bono Messi e betimi asiakan ama bia so tima ya fine na ukopema e yade se hwe Messi no training na Messi e de team friend Inter Miami eso etimi ye e no o mu ye training kama ama bia so timi ya fine na wo hwe Messi etimi akọ training hwe Messi ni David Beckham and the general Messi na akọ no akọchia akọ hage ama bia fan no a Messi timi Inter Miami eso timi ye training kama ama bia fa chira Sompa and the gamer anadri on be against Charlotte FC obeto bacho hwe abra odu e hotel ho e wo e Charlotte no abra omukodura owura hotel room no my me feel kakra eno okona fans no et Messi Oh my God. Eno ejetawe etimamo na yeramo Kopama ne ebusan say ono the best player in the history and the best player about football ma hwan was say Messi only any goat and ye Kopama ne say na Ronaldo or say Ronaldo kakra na and say o superior margin and what they say Ronaldo or so said the Messi ball any individual was wagina a superior margin and what they say misunkuma lewa Ronaldo and ye Kopama no Hilal enra omo share support Edman Nema omo efani Jesse number 10 abron bebo mu game no e kire omo support Edman Nema prano omo tanachi eno omo say less returns stronger and Nema picture ho eno e deba na Michael Richards Delgado or Brazil or Bodman Hilal na enra coach efen ho ge Jesus etimi substitute no na oyi ni free no na ni bofo ni coach no kwankomo toto e wo out Mumian Brazilian, your friend Michael Richard Delgado, the Oliveira, and Noa, and Nunesi, and Netasono, Abra, Omuyino, Edin Frima, Coach Evan Hoge, Jesus, and Echo, or Mo Patano, we are where you Frima, Usumfla, Ukoko, Pao, Casacasacono, and no Edeba, Naupema Benzema, and no all Tawon, as soon as that boy, El Saudi Arabia Muliginum, by Noa Benzema, was sent home, was her uncle and one was taker admit to an early tiard a man who quite 1-1 as so at my woman and no at their by ye jamo as so at them no to so yantin sim not young fam major European leagues no young fam much south where pan famamo not young ye uramo la liga and no Osasuna at a Granada a cameo moment 20 na no pemo all sada and no Osasuna the maintenance say and no supporters in your protest editor eye abante bakwa o Bodma Granada wo free Israel ye feno abante ni did Son Weissman ni nyina no say da otwi mu okwaya comment bi ese pay nka Israel for no omfa pay 500 tons of bomb engu eye Palestinian for no so no munkunkum omo eno anapema Osasuna fans no e de Palestinian for odo omo flag e bae ena so be show protest the player no eno for security reason meetings oman fanama asom ye protested tia womo ni nyanse player no na de ode ansam no kan no wan kan in the meetings so sasuna the fans ne obetima punish womo enu ye de bend about 12 na Real Sociedad Mallorca ebe che about 2:15 na Hatafe Real Betis eno chi 4:30 eye Sevilla ball against Real Madrid Estadio Ramon Sanchez Pizjuan referee Ricardo de Burgos and be German Real Madrid omni Sevilla game no and watch Celta Vigo ni Atletico Madrid at 7 p.m. and watch Sunday about 7 p.m. na Barcelona and Athletic Bilbao Olympic Stadium referee Juan Martinez and Ebejina and we deba Federico Valverde was it team Pierre Cade and co join woman no Arsenal and no Edefro Eba the Dennis Ceballos the year El Clasico when Timobi will pray for the next 2 weeks there's some muscle problem and when you 20 minutes El Clasico no opium Bundesliga no and no Dortmund Werder Bremen Bakoman 20 and you are Brent Julian Brandt and a Sago no and Nebo 130 at Darmstadt and RB Leipzig Ebeshe Union Berlin and Stuttgart 130 and watch Wolfsburg and Leverkusen Xabi Alonso Leverkusen Esubeshia 130 minus 05 and Bamunchen and 430 Nebetoka na Yanche opium minus 05 omu ye win 6 months in here omu winning game of Bundesliga da na the last time we win the game Bundesliga no eprinum omu she Bamunchen and 3-1 and no ededa na Rafael Guerrero anopai oni Dayo Pemikano as to etimi return was Sabna Straza individually na omu eye training Bamunchen asoye onso mu prepare omu na eye training no and no ede baye jejamo as to edamamo opium league eye PSG omu bagen Strasbourg and a ball 3 p.m. and a PSG and a Strasbourg ball about 7 Nice a ball Olympique Marseille and a Sunday Monaco bebo met and we are there by 6:45 Lyon Clermont 4 and no Dawa ye jejamu edamon Serie A Yemram se Verona a bon Napoli and 1 p.m. Torino 4 ni Inter and a bon 6:45 Sassuolo ni Lazio a about 10:30 anopa a Roma ni Monza and a 6:45 AC Milan Juventus as we ebeshia and no Dawa ye jejamu dama muko Premier League ma anopa 11:30 Liverpool ni Everton Merseyside derby ebetoka and ye referee ye very Craig Paulson in the Jamo Anfield and watch no about to a bomb of Wolverhampton Wanderers and no ekebe to the Brentford Burnley and ye two na Man City and Brighton as we ebeshia Ita Stadium Robert Jones ebejinam na Pep Guardiola e kasafa no ayente Ballon d'Or de okafa on Pep Guardiola and ye bizan safi Ballon d'Or no yate se ekodama Messi na den a wo kafa ho na Pep e kansem bi na ye twene ye fancy nten sama Pep Guardiola edituda.
Not a big fan of individual awards in football, but in 10 days we have the Ballon d'Or and two incredible stories, at least Messi with Argentina, Ballon here with the treble. If you had a vote, who would you vote for?
You're so funny. Always I said that the Ballon d'Or had to be two sections. One for Messi. Done. And after that, look for the other one. So Halle should be win. Yes or yes. So we won the treble because scored 50, I don't know, million goals. But of course, Messi, if you tell me the worst season of Messi is the best.
Ose Ballon d'Or no Ballon d'Or no waka se debia na so mo yeni two debia baako ekoma Messi on dia fi automatically ose man Ballon d'Or no baako na players aka no Ronaldo ni players o wiase nya so kocha baako no ensem odi two da na okopia ma Newcastle ni Crystal Palace and 2 p.m. Nottingham Forest ni Luton Town and 4:30 Chelsea Arsenal a game to the Stamford Bridge referee you very Chris Kavanagh and a Belgium Sheffield United Manchester United, Ebeshaw Bremo Lane, and you have Michael Oliver, Nathan Aston Villa West Ham, Monday Tottenham Fulham, and we are the Tiano Breno Call. Young National fans smile to a Bob Wanano Pay, Ewa Mononin Semono, Young Fancy Ewa, Nemo Nana Akomia, Nana Jemfi, and yet the sports Messiah, the Bobby man, and no Mr. Akomia Jemfino, or no Epe Ramna Mononin Sem, when you had the Dutwana, your rope Ramman, some out to matches out to a nifa so na wotwa wie no odi aba obete Ricardo Varas eso enka na bibia so atuma fine na Boris B chicken BBC no enam efia akokɔ ene akokɔ ho adwuma wo ye se opa akokɔ nama na opa akokɔ na nkasa akwa na se eles ana se broilers ubenya bi Boris B chicken na so ye enu ntom fe no BBC wose se akokɔ no ope ne tie open wings ope ene gizzard ana se open nam ne he ni nyina ba Boris B chicken a ne ho a ubenya bi ato ama bia ye fine na ope mo Bantama High Street a ne branch back wa ne president sorry no ene edian hwe do achi no ope mo aswanse dwam a upe hu no Santas runabout wone Unity Oil eso edian hwe ena ope mo Poku Trading adum ube hu no SG More Top High Tech ena Shell wo Body Junction frɛ no e was 0544 44 44 53 0544 44 44 53 frɛ Boris B chicken na bibia eso enya fanajo de Ernest Herbal Industry the Ernest ointment eso ediaba na wose enka nche se bia eye wode no yuti a na no ma bia gugu ntia no chicken pox wode no ya propro wode no ekro de semampelen krosa wode no ya dandruff na se wode no ho a wa pompom epa ema enwi efu papa mo a munimi na mo panwi no mo pe afratwa no mo pa bodwuse nwi no wunya Ernest ointment a ebebo papa eya na ho keka wudware a wote yaw anasa ho hene wo ho a wunya Ernest ointment ebebo o de poafo ni nyina no modro ye Ernest ointment wo dia wake natural capsules abama ne mema nyina mo num bia eyeye awake natural capsules wuni atenkam boost immune system enu achi gonorrhea wanum nya odeso atime buawo enu awake natural capsules no enu ba ubunsa no ma ye moja na ba ne nye eyi se bem wunya bebe bo apa na uni 12 years a untimi num bi opemfo unum bi enye ena enu achi no your batan a unum bi so enye odo ani kirem o kaishi drug lane ubenya bi Kings Walk Herbal ewo ubenya bi na Repulse Ventures ubenya bi Tina Tedeba Baseline Pharmacy and Nisi Pharmacy Rituals Koforuja Gapson Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy Drug Right Pharmacy and Beno Pharmacy Nkoko Uskobi Pharmacy Hillside Pharmacy na BB Pharmacy Kaso Tribe of Judah Kumase Denheba Miseba Kolinakeba Habe Pharmacy and Chris K Heba Nubetwa Feno 0245 079915 O Feno Bejo so Fren number BM 0245 079915 0276 537701 na biaso enya fine Lucas Travel Consult ese brano fam kwa brochire o chicha brochire no o he na wo kwa na akomia brochire he na apesa okọ wo de bia be ko Kazakhstan na tiwa eso akọ eye Azerbaijan na se Varaso akọ bia Finland wo na mesuma pemu America na bia find the Lucas Travel Consult ese brano fam ko bia opebia Schengen visa wo de be ma and what you per bank statement or per passport or per birth certificate ni na board be ma na nwachi no say what is that Murphy and now said Dr. Seta or do be come Madagascar am wa kwa kwhwa me bia ye fine ni nyina nsa no office no Temagop City for no 0534 543210 0534 543210 for no na ni komale bia ye fine na akomia the sports messiah Mr. Jemfi, good morning. Good morning,
Luther Ken. Me jitu mi so hwe pa.
Nyame adompra, now swear.
Oh, boko ahweye ni experience. On se bibia de dem. Ti Luther, I am one in 10 times so. Na yam konkoye nim because ene you resume the various top European leagues. Nti kakra bi ebetimi abo en homoden. Edu we go through na mdre ne be man ho kwan ne betimi aye de apemo.
Okay.
Here we are na ye the betway moment in terms of betway coach.
Oh yes.
Yatena inside ekuki anoa ye de bia toton ye de bia ese kokwa amonche kakra ye dane ne ha ane ye yi de ye la ansa ne ye be ko international break ne obi o follow ye bia be make sure say at least player to score nkwade ubedi bebre
oh na say the two Michaels ne kaboma M square for nishia eye dey a ombecho sika
iti unya
Sompa kasa no
de ko on se Sompa sika no
say
250 no di ya na di 50 10 os
now dia kwetwa no akọ double no
and you 10 odds me
you be some game pack pick one
you be some game pack pick one
Sompa
Luther na say we omo
yes
Luther say shall for the French league yeah back from the international break na Paris Saint-Germain airbo Strasbourg. Now this is one particular game I me to me pass Paris Saint-Germain ebe me say some key players within the setup ombe me say Akraf Hakimi ombe me say Kolomwani ombe me say Levin Kawan ombe me say Zaire Emery. So in this particular setup no key players be one more move free man as key players be one more they are not going to play nyame adoma eye na nwumre the tie nyina na ye say oya Hakimi mu case na far away from injuries a chance bi ni kasa bi omko kan ye eni nkomo bi omko di ye ane am sa suspension so omko nchen by Zaire Emery die pra ye international break yi anokonya ye ankle injury pra ye e de konchen so likely line up ene as a nodi mukwele be replace Abrante Fen Akraf Hakimi Maraquinos Skriniar Lucas Hernandez Donnarumma Vitinha Ugarte Fabian Ruiz replacing Zaire Emery Bracola replacing Ousmane Dembele because also can be then Mbappe ni Gonzalo Ramos on the other hand side no be Patrick Vieira on the coach here Strasbourg and Hello Gabriel I know I key player for them this particular time no in terms of the days at Strasbourg no onye available for this particular encounter but their key player in Lucas Perrin ejinema obon homode edemo mo no be partner nyamisi no anya Dele no anya Senaya Dukuri Sissoko Demingue Diarra Mothiba Bakwa and self-imposed air for them anytime goal scorer na key player also timi hwe nanim here in this particular encounter ebe Kylian Mbappe how solid he has become for them in the absence of Ousmane Dembele and Kolomwani you expect him to step up also as the captain of the side and make sure say Odiniyoma Bigu akwem dia mom Lucas Perrin has been the wall for Strasbourg despite some back-to-back losses in the French League no they are looking forward say they could bounce back no omo moving from 11th place no abasoro kakra and Lucas Perrin will play a massive role for a team friend Strasbourg I know second na bibeba na say bi free kick bibeba na be French watch out for Lucas Perrin say obetimi aye that particular thing no e dey among but this is a game for PSG missing those players and they are forming the French League go for Paris Saint-Germain double chance and over 1.5 for a safe option Paris Saint-Germain double chance and over 1.5 for a safe option but all of them are Paris Saint-Germain win and over 1.5 or both teams to score in this particular aspect. Nice betting Fiabo Olympic A Marcel. Now, Nice set up here with Dante Jean-Claire Todibo. Omo ana the key for a coach Osi Akana so Jina bench Edemo in Francesco Farioli. Send money mono air pigeon Edema Nice or second on the French League Oya team friend Marseille omon players na nkasa ne de en na no ne ka no dodo na em self kon duduru asem kese ne papa but their key player has always been Ismail Assar ono Senegalese onu nisi akan Edemo Paul Lopez ejinam Samuel Gigot Chancel Mbemba Mikel Morillo Jonathan Klaus Azedine Unai Valentin Rongier Amin Harit Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang Liman Ndiaye itu hwe ni mo no Africa form yensa no ene jina ni mo no Senegalese form yenu then wo Gabonese ba kwa okan won be strike dia momo Terem Murphy Gaetan Labodi Jeremy Boga Yusuf Indais Hamiye Hikam Badwai Morgan Sanson Jean-Claire Todibo Dante Mervin Bad then Jonathan Lotomba Marcin Buka for Nice. This is a game a double chance for Nice. Marcel ebe dey so betima kwa share Nice e wa ya away key player for Marseille ebe Islam Assar anytime goal scorer ubetima kwa e dey ama in this aspect but this is a game a both team to score or Nice double chance against Olympique Marseille due to the fact that Jean-Claire Todibo has been a top player for them this season in terms of how we City defended only a friend of the wall so Edema Nice for no at the back line then you move on to men's 05 ne FC Bayern Munich now men's 05 in this particular setup Lee Gruda Mubenya Scholes Kachi Koe Barrero Da Costa Danberg Bell Fernandez then Zentner imposed. On the other hand side, but this is Bayern Munich going away, and we are back for the international break.
6 months in here, Mainz winning Bundesliga game. The last time we winning was in April. 3-1 against Bayern Munich.
And Omar Resete Aqua international break in the Aba, and this is Bayern Munich.
Okay.
This is Bayern Munich. It's when you game a call, no handicap, Debbie. Young Conquer any handicap, same. Call Bayern Munich double chance and over 1.5. Bayern Munich double chance and over 1.5. Okoye handicap was betimi ayeshi
over 1.5 no no
say Bayern Munich be win game ni ba goals e be pie game ni mu no e be more than 1.
Okay. Over 1.5 be ache say more than
1 goal.
Okay.
What I say but Jamal Musiala form no so ye pa. Harry Kane be she goal there ba wo ska bia na atimi di bia to Jamal.
Na say at least goal be pie mu a eno so say
at least goal be pie mu no ne over 0.5.
Okay.
Aha, sana no ne.
There's a goal back ku kura pie mu a.
But obi obetimi ha Bayern Munich pa na ya Brandt friend Gruda. He has been their key player this season. Most goals for them and making sure so click. So if there's going to be any time goal scorer for Menzo Pfeiffer, obetimi akọ for Gruda. Then Inter Milan babo Torino away. Tough game for Inter Milan. Inter Milan and some of Mobako Fie no as a na form no more lusu bako no more bebo draw bako no more yes and they lost after taking the lead. And that is where the problem lies. But you watch this particular airline up of Milankovic Savic, PSG, Sanozov, Rodriguez, Richie Tameze, Belanova, then Lazaro, Vlasic, and Sanabra, Duvan Zapata up front against Stefan Divac, Benjamin Parava, Bastoni, Soma, Hakan Chanoglu, Mkhitaryan, Fratesi, Dumfries, Di Marco, Martinez, and Marcus Thuram. Tough game for Tima, your friend Inter Milan. But the question also comes in, say, what has been these particular two teams? How are Omunioma SCT accord in the long run? Torino and Kasan in their last 3 matches this year, Omunshego.
Sir.
Omunshego. In their last 3, but you go international break, baby, and I'm catch boys, and so Omunya careful. You bet me about these statistics. But international break gives teams to reset.
Okay. The more the cash in no. Esana as a dismantle
sanity. Now Inter Milan and Casomwe we need the last 7 games against Torino.
Okay.
A more upper hand.
Okay.
But this is a game I call Inter Milan double chance.
Win or
draw. Anytime goal scorer Lautaro Martinez.
Lautaro.
Anytime goal scorer also for Torino. I brought to a friend random zip.
Okay.
Now ono Oyeni din in the performance na ono a bench player. Or a super sub.
Of bench never.
Oba was subetimia ye already 3 goals for Torino. One of your top scorer.
Okay.
And he's from the bench. Duvan Zapata wo hodie by a berry. Lautaro Martinez ya kan one sem. AC Milan bebo Juventus. Now in this particular encounter, you need 2 years and the top liner in the Italian Serie A this weekend.
Yeah.
AC Milan lead the league table no by 21 points. Juventus are also third with 17 points. Now Juventus will be looking forward. Say they will recap baby or losing your money now. Also, more Champions League, more competition. Apart from the Italian Serie A, it will players also we
almost not na Milan 4G.
And Milan 4G.
Edibo Champions.
Edibo Champions League. You know, it was Mudia. Omo hese international break we be some omo any different from omo sad about body at Milan. Milan players no do na so two quite combo games they buy. But if you count to Molly Malik, David Calabria, Alessandro Florenzi, Tijani Reinders, Yasin Adli, Ruby Loftus-Cheek, Christian Pulisic, Olivier Giroud, Rafael Leao, Antonio Merante. On the other hand side, Szczesny, Daniel Rugani, Bremer, Federico Gatti, Meretti, Weston McKennie, Locatelli, Rabiot, Kostic, Moise, Kane, Dusan Vlahovic, Luther. AC Milan and Kasan in recent times against Juventus, Juventus the experience both games near a lot, and this is a game I'm to me pass. AC Milan were more than there, but Juventus might cause a little bit of surprise. So to be good for you, both teams to score, and now home or away and over 1.5. Both teams to score or home or away over 1.5. Now not open anytime goal score. Bet me call the Dusan Vlahovic in this particular encounter against AC Milan. On the other hand side, anytime goal scorer, you better pick Olivier Giroud. Say ono and bet me the magic at the AC Milan. Real Madrid ebebo Sevilla. Now Real Madrid ebo Sevilla ne why Sevilla dia almost is coach.
Yeah.
Team omo ties is coach. Omo Diego Alonso, former coach of the Uruguay national team no naba. Now already din in the morning in Yoma Awoye na. Bet me catch us and Spanish La Liga they over be too experienced Carlo Ancelotti. But your fair vibes be an answer new coach syndrome. say new coach be PM or team na some more big match say ya. The appetite to say players want to impress and make sure some making sure some cut team very important for them. Yeah. And Sevilla individually they have some key players that they are so good, but as a team collectively and another resource in your day and shut down Koye and Famomo. So against Real Madrid they will be very up for the tax and they will make sure some make Real Madrid Abraham Muntimi Pene Emma Real Madrid Intimi and show Mofala and Franco. Now no me busa me say Real Madrid in this particular setup, led by Vinicius Junior Oselu, Jude Bellingham, Aurelien Tchouameni, Toni Kroos, Federico Valverde, Dani Carvajal, Antonio Rudiger, David Alaba, Eduardo Camavinga, Kepa in post against Ocean Nyland, Sergio Ramos, Jesus Navas, Loic Bade, Marcos Acuna, Ivan Rakitic, Djibril Suso, Dodi Lukebakio, Youssef El Nasri, and Lucas Campos. Can Real Madrid do this for themselves in terms of maintaining the momentum league? You know, Omodi Ashase, Baluta. The team woman say in the last 56 matches I have between Sevilla and Real Madrid. No, I say Real Madrid say we need 36 times. Yes, it is. Next omutimi omo. But omutimi omo ni na actually na luta. Oh yes, Sevilla be cause an upset today, especially when the home team have not won against Real Madrid in the last matches. Sevilla and share Real Madrid won home in the last 9 matches. It's Diego Alonso. As a new coach, will have a point to prove. Be careful. An international break reset. Ramos also will try to do something against his old mate. Luther, game way, call Real Madrid or drawing over 1.5. And I say could the whole game over 1.5 in this particular aspect. Now, I know that say actually now. Then key player for Sevilla, Abrante Feni Dude Lukebakio. He has been superb for Sevilla. Fis Obaye on the wings. Kopasa at the 10-1 so sa Chabasa. Anytime goal scorer, Obetimaya no, and answer Youssef El Nasri. Then Vinicius Junior. Anytime goal scorer for Real Madrid in this particular game. Basa Bebo Etia Bilbao. Bilbao are more than Ankasa Tia Basati say. Luther, you bet me about, but you look at Alejandro Bade, Ronald Araujo, Andres Christensen, Jack Cancelo, Aurelio Romeo, Gavi, Ike Galdo, Joao Felix, Ferran Torres, Femi Lopez, Gorka Guriseta, Ohin Sase, Mikel Vesga, Nico Williams, Yuri Berisha, Yere Alvarez, Daniel Vivian, Oscar Di Marcos, Ander Herrera, Naki Williams, Unai Simon. Very open game, but I believe Barcelona have the men. And Bilbao Ankasa, no moon sheda share Barcelona. To be a how sheda nyegidi biasa. I say also Barcelona 8 hano, Eman and rate me ho. So it's a game I make catch call Barcelona no more chance over 1.5 due to their recent form. I assure my son of my babetino. It will call Barcelona no more chance over 1.5 against Sevilla. Anytime goal scorer for Barcelona, go for Joao Felix. Anytime goal scorer for Bilbao, go for Inaki Williams. Because he has always proven in recent times. Liverpool ebebo Everton. We a derby match. Merseyside derby. Let me say England nankasa no weekend when the matches nankasa no hit kakra wo. Na my Liverpool in terms of omo results omo nya this season. But Tottenham born no mo show last minute no. They had gone almost 9-11 matches at twice where they campus obi grab it the boy dey. But they look strong enough coming into this contest against an Everton.
Because also Liverpool strength against Everton are almost struggle of later. So I say mu dauma omo and I work with Derby
in the last 28 matches in Liverpool winning 27. And between Omoni Everton and it's becoming difficult. But also the key word also comes with early kickoff.
Yeah, 11:30.
Players and us for international break about. Now Liverpool might not have Darwin Núñez in the shape they want because from South America.
Yeah.
Diego Jota there Europe. Ubenya Luis Diaz Soako South America. Baba Cody Gakpo, Mohamed Salah, Ubabenya Van Dijk mu. Abrante Fen Roberts na kwaku pra Nensa kwaku iso Chimikas will have to come into this particular setup. But you look at Kunate, also Europe, Trent Arnold also comes here, and those are what's like the McAllister. That's what travel for a long period of time, and also so Ediaba
for Argentina.
But around 15 goals have been scored in the last 6 matches between teams in the middle. That means some more matches in the goals tired day. And Everton conceded a lot, at least in the last 6 matches, Everton have conceded 5. So strike average. As Everton gave me on Liverpool, now Everton, they might come in with Tarkowski, Brain, Young, Mekelenko, Harrison, Onana, Ghana, Dukuri, Kabelowen. But this is a game I make a say, call double chance Liverpool, and for who be bring Liverpool straight win.
Okay.
A international break Yakwaba, early kickoff, double chance Liverpool of the safe option. Person will be safer. Liverpool win and over 1.5. But for safe option, with Liverpool double chance or even home or away because 11:30 game, you are international break the just be careful about such a game. And under 3.5 or under 4.5 in this particular game. Anytime goal scorer, Mohamed Salah.
Okay.
Anytime goal scorer for Everton, Dominic Calvert-Lewin. Brighton and Hove Albion may go against Manchester City there.
Sir, City before the international break, no more lose 2 games at once.
City and Casano. In the absence of Rodri, Rodri arrested a little bit. Or Champions League, a crack or Spanish national team.
Or you're suspended.
Or you're suspended by Siawaba. But you are looking at a Brighton and Hove Albion team led by a coach who love to possess, open up and make sure so better men go. And no even against Brighton and last season breaking, they gave them a tough time. They press so what they have enough quality. Dingra, Pascal Gross, Baleba, Mitoma, Jesse, Solimach, Luis Dan, Van Hecken, Bertman, Van Bruggen, Pedro, and Ferguson when Ivan Ferguson when he won more. Mitoma so extending the contract. Yes, Mitoma extending the contract. You fully understand. Say Manchester City also with Rodri back into the squad. Nathan Ake, Edison in post. You talk about Ellen Holland, Jack Grealish, in this particular setup now. They have enough men to make sure some meeting that accountable. So City Tiffy Nanka say Lusuni they adding. Lutawati the Mechanasa. City staying at home. Playing against Brighton and Hove Albion. Said Brighton back ocean will feel party. Very, very difficult. Said Brighton.
But they are Brighton
Bishogu. And what has last 7 home matches between Brighton and Manchester City? No, City are almost 7 in now.
Okay.
City are almost 7 in now. So go for double chance Manchester City and over 1.5. And I say Obeche Brighton and Hove Albion a goal over 0.5. Brighton and Hove Albion a goal over 0.5.
For 2 minutes, we mame.
Now, Luther, Chelsea near Arsenal. This is a game I had to me pass. Chelsea will need to do a lot to make sure some betting the Arsenal to a level. Now, and some on betting Arsenal or less. This is an international break. Arsenal have the men also, but let's begin to ask legitimate questions when it comes to some of these games and the records that are attached to it, because we had derbies and your more records and then your more target me excuse you those particular facts. The other kind, when you say Chelsea and Casano in their last 3 games, no matter me winning because almost a season as your man koye. So in terms of form, they are already there. But Chelsea and Casano in their last 2 home Premier League games, you know, Malusu. I'm Arsenal and Casano. I really their last 3 games against Chelsea. Murad Arsenal, and Arsenal is looking forward to be the first team to watch Chelsea at 4.
So now. So
Chelsea betting as says I didn't see now. Arsenal so soon lose game this season.
Still, we unbeaten.
So is this going to be their first loss? I think Chelsea have the men; they create enough, but their problem is the goal scoring. What should Chelsea and Liverpool be now? You see, Chelsea were just right on point in terms of everything they were doing on the pitch. But we see a lot of chances. This is a game I'm to me. It's a make for Chelsea double chance and over 1.5.
Chelsea and Winia double draw.
Chelsea and winning game we are double draw.
And your question be Busau. So we are Chelsea Arsenal. Your question be Busau.
Sir, and the main found see Manchester United and Sheffield. The Manchester United be kwa we are kwa Sheffield. It will be to me the account. But you should bear to a course in there. You will not be answer Arsenal and Chelsea questions.
Okay.
And about to a course the first one here 10 odds me.
Mama say golden code promo no so eguso and no almost send you codes in buy. Utwa 1 city to 50 cities are. Almost selected teams in the mount. Utwa Udia scan your dear when you saw more found we seek at the mount. Betway for the love of the game.
Yes, it's 3 quotes near the mountain. You are near the anytime goal scorer tips account.
Okay.
10 odds mienu ana 30 odds baako.
Okay.
The edi kan 3E C9 5F6 3E C9 5F6 The tosu mienu 3E CB 9C1 3E CB 9C1 Ana the tosu cry roto 3E CF 955 3E CF 955 Yes, this weekend anytime goal scorer no you be woman na betima ubetimi di ni na so abo mo betima she goal this weekend the edi kan yes Hurricane Bayern Munich ni men's 05 obehye goal yes Mo Salah Liverpool ni Everton obi behye goal ama Liverpool a ebeye Mo Salah yes Real Madrid ni Sevilla obi behye goal na Vinicius Junior eden a obehye and yes PSG ni Strasbourg Kylian Mbappe eden na obehye and yes Inter Milan ni Torino eden a Lautaro Martinez eden ebehye goal
me da say na mo mi busa say wo hwe Arsenal squad a omode call unbeaten 2003-2004 any Chelsea squad a omode beji the first Premier League na 2004-2005 na sa squad ni mienu je na eden say ni record obetimi ase no sa squad no
say Arsenal no unbeaten ana Chelsea so concede 15 goals per
yes
ana omo
15 goals no kra mu 5
ye
penalties
ana omo lose one game per Luther Chelsea dey na dey
Chelsea squad no Chelsea record na dey so be say no
Chelsea dey na dey
so be repeat
Chelsea dey na dey
sir
in this era in the modern game where I use a football assistance amount for the tactics variation in your whole lot about be a bomb obi am person be defend create issue no cry no. How does someone do say 15 goals on conceded to the season?
Chelsea the other say
City is conceding more than 15 goals.
Then say Arsenal all unbeaten.
Arsenal unbeaten no. There are literally 2 clubs who have actually come closer. Any club will be but Chelsea and one about closer. Closer. Just give me one club about closer. Luther Chelsea the other day.
Mate, and you Michael Akomia, the sports messiah. Also, bet me to agree Traba. Akomia see Chelsea squad now 2004 and 5. Omo ede e consider just 15 goals. Ewo season in mom the G Premier League no. E more than a record be a edin so bet me repeat. What they compare Arsenal unbeaten squad now. Also agree say ni city Ricardo Varas atna say the man of the moment, the punch man. Atna say ha they last chance about center say can trust say omo de adrobia be friend no obofo heba mesia no omo say yankasa ye natural hips no yankasa ye nua ye ha man ye dunsini ene China for de ene o makeka de abom ene omo de aya banti o obi a wo arthritis pain uyo bia o sister yo ya no waposo nyina yo ya ho hyehyew a unya obofo heba mesia beboa pa uyo bia moja ntimi ni afisa ne ye ewo nipadua nom eso ne moja so ma moja na nkasa bibi twa na moja ne bi pia unse me moja efe uwo moja so bebre wo widie nom eno achi no so no malaria ne typhoid de ase tu ase ne nya obofo heba mesia ne bi na bia nko ye emfama miamia we odu ani kirema benya bi ato eye pharmacy 52 kaswa Lamte Mills, Nina Obom Road, and a 52 about shop, Kumase, Kenya Sidiase, Kwanoso, Nana Buatu Kaishi Drag Lane, all Denny Farmer shops no Kwabinebi, Takwa was a bibidrofie, Sankotex, or pharmacy or Cape Coast, AA Mensa or Takwa, the market circle, na capital O2, Ewosunyane. For last chance about center for 0574 353-707 0574 353 0707 0533 121 761 and at your 0531 541755 nyabi nanom na nomankwe emfa emma Ricardo Varas it is a yes, the man of the moment, the punch man. Na Akumia a question I did Jano Kwano Umuay say one ye say Chelsea squad for 2004-2005 or more consider just 15 goals in the season. Name 5-year penalties. Now the Premier League as compared to Arsenal unbeaten squad. Sa record with the for somebody say and I say team be so bit me RPT. Edin so be because so yes we be am na say.
Me side it come here.
Chelsea there no.
Chelsea there na dey.
So because season consider just 15 goals.
Yes, Chelsea there in a sense Arsenal ko unbeaten. But overall, Arsenal have 90 points. And on the J League, you know. But over Chelsea, there now, Chelsea conceded 15 goals per their J League, you know. Or no, 95 points and so team home. So it tells you what you want that very season. And a day, say you go into a season and then over both games. Now say conceded 15 goals per in the invincible seasons, Arsenal 8 year and the Arsenal to me conceded 26 goals, 11 more than the Chelsea the following season. So it tells you how normality is. So if you ask me now, Obusame say ni me nu the be dey dem team is obetimi aya. I'll go in for team friend Chelsea, not because say maybe or more dealing and as a BB, but okay, and then modern football the way our systems my coaches next year no now so a season. City came close and consider 16 goals or so, but that is a very tough thing I bet me in a season. So we consider 15 goals per something very, very hard with a lot of quality we've seen recently. How our teams says me and market teams out or motivate teams videos and everything. Pass a season with 15 goals per consider there. I think that really made the call my Chelsea for no. Okay, almost 15 goals don't consider more than pa.
Young queen,
me sure say. Pep Guardiola be call international break no one person na me sure say na on die you ref and Pep Guardiola
ade
not because oba be boy tia Brighton tina wona but it's something that on person obey. Pep Guardiola started in coaching career no with a juma waje babia ko bia aya hu Pep no there's not been more than once I will lose games after 3 times. So we lose when never we lose the following week was not losing. Once pay na to no.
Babin from my yashafoni at for send the punchline. Ebeba. It's only 10:50.
So I say Olusu to team friend Wolves. No Ababelusu to Arsenal. It's something that he wouldn't want to say or buy in a game against Brighton. No Ababe Fanioma easy. Game no buy a game because you who's a way no. 2 coaches are or more try each and every time somebody innovate something. This be your mom just uncle for Nibia, Pep Guardiola dear, or kind of what's my own kind of when it comes to Sano Man. Team said 2 coaches are that beyond somebody be back into football and on Babisi I can answer her. Brighton's when you are more dear with performance from done the last season, no more this season because of the European game I can't I say Amanoma I think Kakra and I'm at Brighton in their last 4 games to cry there or want to mean Dinkunim. And so games on Matimiabum and Omoko Etihad. This is a place that the last 2 games now make us say and now that one person I know shit him Nimo and 20 ho ye who said problems about Manchester City no in the person of Rodri. He's back.
Manola Kanji said the position on my BBB.
Manola Kanji a defender. And so a defender now will be a Gina with him now or acting. And the man say everything about Sibiano or idea or GD everywhere, a idea bow, and he's the man. Be a best tap or Manchester City team be on with me drop deep budget bono and the call or breaky attacks or side treaty, a whole lot of things on your madam Timoa.
I say so a man perform fake Kevin De Bruyne sir
because of Nemo de Momo. Champions League in the history of Manchester City, one thing I know more lucky was the Champions League. He go pay any team, but he is a defensive midfielder. And the defensive duties no or ye no ye so one person only team anymore we see the Manchester City so far now maba Pep Guardiola wouldn't want to lose 3 games on a road so we're losing in that what was he wouldn't want to do that and Sawasha Bebe 99 years near team a friend of Manchester City will fear against Brighton 11 wins and 2 draws on winning order he wouldn't want to stay home no baba yes and they free home or problem this is a game where Semetinasi Dean I'm heard we are going to be it's a game where there'll be a lot of goals in the game. Because deserve you be on naturally. One thing I'm for criticizing the year as any defensive fragility. When it comes to Sane Manamana, actually on Fahon, he believes that let me attack because me attack here, they are go nibi into why we attack you and the idea Olivia Choma or to me conceal a lot of goals. So where you game one Utiho now you neutral supporter over enjoy game ni pa because Pep and then Arsenal member you want to prove a point. the Serbia Beba want to prove a point. He's one manager. The Serbia Bar Premier League. We've seen Neoma Waye in the Premier League and we're born home in the Premier League. So now he want to prove a point. Etihad. It's a place or many good record or many good records. So going there, and I think there'll be a exciting game, a lot of goals and everything. But at the end of the day, Manchester City be carry day, be 4-2 or 3-1 win for them. Me won't say no man kuye so mfama Erling Haaland recently, but oko international break you say oko share goals so all by into this game ya dia obetimi abon homodin for a team to say Man City against Arsenal, one shot on target. It's something that Menyes was say Pep and so be say betimi akos we win for Manchester City and so betimi abom. Arsenal ne Chelsea na ebo. Game we game anka yetiti bina ka Chelsea for who say we dey senkenye game.
We enke gbaja game.
No we dey enkenye game for Chelsea for no. But recently Neoma asisi ne ya dey ma Chelsea for ne Arsenal be pɛ no ma shake. Since August 2018 if you Chelsea no win Infanti Arsenal.
Hey. Since August 2018
if you in a league game Chelsea win Infanti Arsenal.
That's a 5 years cry actually.
Yes. Omo win game Infanti omo. The last 3 Arsenal 3 out of 3 it was Stamford Bridge.
Wow.
Chelsea last 2 games was Stamford Bridge, not time for us abe show mo. Aston Villa abe show mo. Inti ho na ani hu sebe cost Stamford Bridge,
Lions den.
See and shede ni ho biem. E understandable. E team for no more build it and everything. Eno e ade nkoyi mfa Chelsea. Arsenal HC record a ekoyi di mano. Where derbies are able, London derbies are able. The last 15 Arsenal lose ibi. And the third best London derby games are able. Because the first one Ankasa Kura Arsenal for na 35 games 2001 to 2005. In Tekuye di Momo. Second one Kura Chelsea. Obenya Chelsea almost be run 2004 to 2006. Omoko 20. Arsenal 15. Now he's playing against my friend Chelsea, a London derby. He want to go there and win. In the Arsenal for no back game, they are coming to the game with a lot of confidence because now they say Arteta bet me we need their team for Manchester City, the defending champions. They are the Champions League defending champions too. They go into the game. They are just not meeting. So going into the game, a lot of
and then yes, we need by fluke.
Yes,
they performed better.
Yes. So a lot of confidence going into the game. But so now, but Chelsea factor and so on. Pochettino also was something good against Arsenal team. In the Premier League, so where Pochettino Eufie 6 games on Arsenal on lose.
Oh wow,
we winning 3.
The days were Tottenham.
We draw 3. Tottenham, Southampton in the league. Ayadia or you could our record no at the Tiomo. And also all boss our performance the games our ball with Arsenal 13 games on share more than 2 goals.
Okay.
What say cost right 2 goals and Pochettino in the games on Arsenal able. So this is a game as well Arsenal team now. They are in pool of confidence going to a Chelsea game Stamford Bridge they've been winning. They've been winning Western times for Chelsea or Stamford Bridge. This is the time where Chelsea has started something new. The last 2 games are winning at their international break. Bayabano are failing at Chelsea ever start to season for GDC a move by heading because games are air bano a more day the Chelsea. If send your mom say a international break you see who's a fluke they mean business and now Chelsea are fine or more ready and they are going to be challenging for the top 4 and those things are I'm not saying that they are going to challenge for the league because the players are Chelsea Tom or more challenging for the league material. Top 4, top 6, and we bet my challenge for Zo, and it's not make us and so share the NCAA my teams everything at the moment. In Tiaman for Bepe, such as bet my Dinkunim in this game. So Pochettino buying the game. Every again say, or be standing toe to toe, like man for man, on Arsenal Baba, it will be a disgrace for Chelsea. So on Arsenal, but Jinaba, now he needs to pray, say, Arsenal be a lot of mistakes. Then Chelsea will take advantage of it.
And then Kai Havertz beat me a push threat now.
Kai Havertz, I feel saying a confidence and Kasa in playing games, the same as from Kaka. Because when a talent, no free Germany, Baby Ramu, Chelsea, or started just name Kuyi, now Benya Champions League, there more Chelsea, and everything, and now as I perform the confidence ankasa no yade for in recent times who say Ateta cry ultimate net na bench because say na man for can head in be team and it will affect the play no on the field of play. So you want to prove something, but maybe Ateta and Fanema image them. So just need to relax, rely on say Arsenal be a mistake, then they will take advantage of it because it's hard to when say Chelsea or more ball 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 passes at Twazo on a row. I want to lose a game no. Chelsea omun create bibia gidigidi say e bia bogi no team say Chelsea create a lot of chance omun create gidigidi bia sa e mistakes at
but I say omun Ukrainian player no so na you Costro
Mudrik
because Oshe go before the international break or Koyes was saying during the qualifiers no
Oshe go no can the next game na Chelsea boy he was at the bench or a fantastic player if you ask me talent was raw but about Chelsea we've not seen him or international break no team but about Chelsea now minim the kind of pressure one so Nioma be or person yintia won team but about Chelsea now e ade a won team more so it's a good game for teams ni mienu obia won dey obey but Arsenal are going to this game or me a favorite to make win the game if Chelsea want to win the game they need to make sure say omo the game no ama Arsenal say Arsenal more Arsenal will make mistakes because you see Arsenal so sometimes they make a lot of mistakes. So we are Chelsea for now you praise there and then Arsenal will make a lot of mistakes. Not Chelsea and so to me and you win when you go back when you go back then you try to defend. So they be a bad. So I see a game where and we may think that Chelsea. But if someone it may be a draw or something will be good for them. Now if the games are ever subsequently or more and so to me IBB and so the teams are or more and ever. Italy the AC Milan Juventus. It's a game that in semi-brabada for Juventus so this time around you're going Fagioli there and everything aber Allegri is under pressure purely the last game of boy na a tough game Serie A no lose 5-1 so I'm sure say he wouldn't want to repeat Sadena or no entry team here in that game so going to this game each and every person involved with team friend AC Milan will want to come in and prove a point say send your man Kuyan family, but we are trying to tell people that you're defending champions and nobody Kuyi and so team Eddie Amaya. Juventus, we've been sleeping dogs for some time. Your G League no to us now a core form no in team my BM. And so when your man Juventus, it seems that now teams now can say team counter. Even silence a cry are there did the match me Juventus. But it seems Allegri kakra. All but no many just over but Juma Bia I don't see Nyoma with Allegri. But I believe that if say he can manage to get a respectable scoreline against AC Milan, something a bit me about. We've seen Vlahovic more, they are in fine shape. Kieza Nanka one Vlahovic air pair when him one no kuyi kakradama wouldn't be available for this game. So I think that we need to go and manage the results. We can't go and say you could win a chin but we go there something of a decent scoreline for Team Juventus. I think they're good.
Me da say Ricardo Varas na woten nka say ono so awura mu amano ne nsemo ye kakra e dia mame Roxy Travels say nka ncho say so person kosuade wa abruchi o say okobo ball as a professional footballer wa abruchi and I say adwuma na wokokoye so ko school ni problem o ye oba wo ye be mabra odo betu kwan ono na chese Ghana ha so person o rent a private jet obetima rent e dia ma Roxy Travels no and what you say nka ncho say uye teacher ni a kwanya abadi amao excuse awdo abruchi dia to mo nim so mo pa kire fo mo ebi kura no pe eye teacher fa mo ma be kire mo man kasa dia o mo chese hwom be hwewo no wan kasa wani beje and so be so tu kwana onya dollars na onya ska Roxy Travels na o se nka ncho se kasoa obehunu wo kasoa CP oni Methodist asori dan dia nhwe e na opim okuma so a o wasafo VIP station o edan no matwa ni mu Golden Home Touch o na abehu no na fe no number yi e won crime patem 0244 613237 0244 613237 na okuma so ne patem a 0257 76730 0257 776730 na 0557 607375 feno na se eba akwantu nsem bia na emwa oso mo de bo bia na ombe bo ama so no akwantu nsem ayefo ayemre ediama Michael Asaribodu, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Bokode ye na me din komo bi wadaro ma me pa quick comment on it. Chelsea squad 2004-5 on the Premier League conceding just 15 goals. Now Arsenal invincibles squad for 2003-2004. Sound record way Jane a record that fi say a record that din say obi so betima ye bi a record that din enya din so obi so betima say no.
On the evidence of baby a football one send your Messi kono, I think and then a bad day so be stay undefeated throughout the season.
The Arsenal you know
because washa and the born I bono I say you obi atimi bibi and the level of competition you are closely gap no. Meaning so what own share. So teams might be very good. Man City team my over ye this woman in Bobo but they can't go unbeaten.
We are there that Wolves be free baby.
To himself for the past 5 years. Ope team away England away Europe onimbo ne bopa so much over.
Man
City. So I didn't
but certain Arsenal be chidan wash.
Yeah, I didn't know Liverpool picked form and they were one of the best teams. Liverpool, bro, Mobile League, no, we need 32 games. 32 games. But they could not go unbeaten. So, a bad thing, so we bet me I the Arsenal invincibles in a year, you know. Not because of a 49 game record, a unbeaten record. Send the year one season never came. Milan stretched the core 58. There are several teams who have gone unbeaten, even in the UK. There is a story of Preston North End, 1888, 1889. There were several stories. Ghana, Accra, Suffolk went unbeaten the year they won the treble. So there are clear cases of teams not losing matches our league more. But me can imprint say in a major league, say yes Serie A, say a Premier League,
La Liga,
say La Liga, or we bet me I don't think so. One, the players are playing more matches. Inti ayana bre abim, and you can't get them to give you consistent minutes. On the average first, maybe as 10, 15, 20 years ago, what bomb matches do no? You have to say be a 40 something and now 50 an hour. But then there, check it the international calendar, check it the local air calendar, now check it air competitions be Omodia Remy UEFA Nations League. So the players are mentally drained. And I need power dream. I had net so big.
Oh, baby, when I cry out,
so me
mistakes.
I think 15 goals conceded, a fantastic record. Mourinho did well, but even that Mourinho team, no crano, could not go unbeaten. They lost just a game. Chelsea, we need 29 games or draw 8 or lose back on. Arsenal, we need 26 or draw 12. And a win, Lucy. Conceding goals, Luther, you can set up defensively in a manner where bad things say a show. But going an entire season unbeaten, it means that you need maximum concentration, 100% focus in almost every game. Edding. Me, I'll give it to the Invincibles. That is why they are so unique. They are so distinct.
Arsenal squad with the likes of Patrick Vieira more.
Yeah, Patrick Vieira, Robert Pire, Ashley Cole, Gilberto Silva, Thierry Henry, Freddie Lumbeck, Dennis Lehmann, Dennis Beckham, Cruyff, and Sophie Bench, Baba Bishim Kakra. They were a fantastic team. I don't think in current setting, they were top 5 leagues.
Chelsea's squad normally that record 2004 and 5.
Oh, there was Peter Cech, Paulo Ferreira, and then William Gala, Ricardo Carvalho, John Terry in the middle.
One of the finest centre backs, and I'm a pen pa Carvalho.
Yeah, then Claude
Sana is star bisa
exactly. And Claude Makelele, Nuenya, Frank Lampard. Along the line, I think Jeremy alternator Konoba, then Enim Hono, Didier Drogba, Damien Duff. Okay, no, the others, Didier Drogba, Damien Duff, Ida Gudjohnsen. And then there were a couple of players also contributing from the bench, including Glenn Johnson. Yeah. But right back now. It was after this season that Ashley Cole by the next season.
From Arsenal.
This season I'm ball Champions League final now winning and Ashley Cole the Arsenal a man of Premier League. Sansuma the Champions League.
Yeah, I'm quite so I'm quite no,
but say the fact remains that
pen in your
from key players, yeah.
Mr. Fabregas, pen, mammy.
Oh, they may buy Fabregas, and they come dinner so obey, and it's all the Arsenal Premier League. Okochinchia when Chelsea gave it to him. Olivier Giroud, we gave him the Champions League. Yaman Europa League the peso. When Yan is our Arsenal. Then we come to Ashley Cole. Yaman Premier League, Yaman Champions League. So no Arsenal player ne free ho about Chelsea. Yes, in the three form.
But say Chelsea player
but Chelsea to say what down.
We say
Willian, Peter Cech, David Lewis. Oma bad down. Oma bad down no mobasa. So it should tell you they are the upper class. Chelsea.
What can be actually in Nepal?
Oh, but Chelsea is the best London club. They opened your day the Monyam Shekesiabre London as a city. Yes, Chelsea. I'm on the 2 Champions League titles. Europa League peso.
What can be actually?
Oh no, that is the truth. In terms of the idea you Monyam prestige Kesiabre London as a city, it is Chelsea. Moko guye ni mase.
2006.
Yeah, exactly. Moko ye ni mase.
Red card ne high.
Moko guye ni mase. And can't red card as him. Mugu yenimase. So it took Chelsea to restore the pride of London, and that is why Chelsea is the true pride of London. And then I'm oh, that is the truth. You know, as I'm not crying to say, Chelsea is the true pride of London.
Until 90, that's how much Chelsea against Arsenal.
I don't want to delve much deeper. All that I'm saying is that games of this nature, there are certain trends. And a moment be a defining game. No, I understand everything. On paper, before Siebesha, Arsenal are a favorite because they've started the season well. Chelsea are climbing. They have players returning from injury. But Arsenal look more settled. But the share game necessary for their bench and I don't know about prayer. The moment and then the trends in the game will shape the outcome. FA Cup final now Frank Lampard lose here. No, look at that red card on the man Mateo Kovacic. But it changed the outline of the game. So game where me and Sha say about prayer. You be who the obey winning the winning. Basa for your more general assembly. Laporta Kosun was here.
Oh, what they?
The assembly basically will capture the president's address into a report on activities on my the number share or more financial statements, and so the budget for the season they trim, the budget for the current season, and then the next seasons will be in full for the next 2 seasons. On being in another members Nadiatum, as many as 4,000 members or more Barcelona, and I heard you made any online. There are some also seated in that theater 1899 or more Now President command his speech. No we no na say the emotions caught up with him and I say nisio and swear. May I sure say and they are kokosi enyumbre and then Monday ebeba there will be a Laporta story to tell already. Your bribery when and some fatano. He's come out, he slashed at them. The opponent nisu use as a something that they can leverage on. No more so that your more campaign. But this man is a strong man.
None what can be say a debia on per se a very pity beam. Say sociological Madridism. On per se very pity beam. Dear.
When you're true Catalan, Barca a symbol of Catalan and now pro-Catalan. Madrid a typical symbol of a General Franco regime and then the pure Madrid. Catalans any the Spanish people there are issues. Catalan funny few say maybe Omedrin and Pempen so more I was so motivated become an independent state sort of. I hope you get it. Yeah. Spain any quiet fast cabo mono. You want to come be free maba. You want more the Basque region and so so clearly in this case the Catalonians feel different and they always feel say come moshe and Tibiba favoritism Madrid for the as against them. So any agenda against Barcelona is seen as somehow political. See they come wash just as it is between the Catalonia region and then the general Madrid region. So clearly sans and some no. Okay. In any case, be Barca and Madrid Barca and Madrid just football teams. They are also political symbols. Into a president for either club, you may deny now you are powerful and any platform that Laporta stands on and now international, he will always want to advance the principles of pro-Catalan. Say Catalonia minor Barca Osho crest and the colors of the flag anyway in a womb a Catalan colors, Catalan flag, Catalan emblem. So they are a pro-Catalan club and any idea or agenda or there. So he will start something like that. Everbaso. And every club deserves a president like Laporta, unless he be Real Madrid now or Perez that. Because me sure say club and be bro Florentino Perez so any day why the football. Single-handedly, he has changed the year football. Say you see who no on not less than 3 occasions. Perez who say with money you can influence a team to become a superpower, and then they will conquer Europe, they will conquer the world. The Galacticos he transitioned football from normal players or mobile ball to personalities or celebrities. Ronaldo, Zidane, Beckham, Figo, it was an assemblage of stars. Results in there, but off the pitch they will also fetch you money. So marketing rights nonsense. It was driven purely by the agenda of this man. And here Florentino Perez. Then obey then he will come and change the face of Madrid again after replacing they all give Aldano. So
yeah.
So clearly this man there, I sure say club president Biabe Brone, so Obebo Silvio Berlusconi. Late AC Milan, yeah. Obebo Perez, Obebo Silvio Berlusconi. I think say bro.
It seems untouchable. Oh, Madrid.
It is not because he's untouchable, but he's endeared himself to them.
Now, this will be so competing.
No, because the first campaign, it was a very strategic but also a scandalous campaign. And then our promises say, or the Luis Figo beba. Now when Timmy and told Luis Figo, or very funding obia sikadi amano. And truly he brought Figo. Check the controversy. I first some Figo free Barcelona de bar Madrid. Figo none down for Pep Guardiola.
Okay.
Yeah. Even Pep Guardiola mano never back. Figo and the Godfather.
Okay.
Yeah. They were very close. Omoda back omoko camp omo ina back. This man broke a relationship. Because he brought Figo, who was then the face of Barcelona project to Real Madrid.
Because I say player or penal. That's why
he's a don.
When you a fast player.
Senor.
Because last time he came Benzema. Story come first who cover Benzema from Lyon then buy.
Man you pay Benzema.
Benzema front Venice one in my memo
better finish it simple. This is a Figo transfer. He made the Barca president resign because of this transfer. Juan Gaspar. So we know Perez no the any there me on Tesoro. So Tesoro baby.
And other president I cannot.
Yeah, fanning compare will be Tesoro.
Said the Pep who cast a Ballon d'Or.
And you Messi me so. Enti Perez ne Tesoro. Na ebia Berlusconi aba. The third one, I will give it to Juan Laporta. Yeah. In this current state, send an Abbasati or Befire. Any leader who inherits such a club will collapse it. Men can't find that out.
What about Juma?
Sebasa time at Tibiana or Basa woman. No,
but to me,
good. President Bianco Babefa Basa Bianco will be collapsing. Now, through machinations, through economic engineering, he has been able to make Barca stable. And then, to some extent, make them sportingly competitive. And Tessa Barca he came to lay the foundations for a very successful tenure. And then Sandro Rosell ne Batami or Mobile Fire or Mutimi Winnie the Omoye. And where they lay foundations, Oja Hokoye. Then they ran the club into a ditch. Wababion, he's rescuing the club from the ditch. So this man, Obi China Perez. Oh, true. No, if somebody embodies a true president of a big club, any club will be a bit maybe.
Yeah.
But running institutions like International say, Barca and Madrid, no, they are more than football clubs. Okay. They are political institutions. Scandal, yeah, they be for controversies you deal with. And son of Jumana Wayeno. So be China, a senor, a Florentino Perez. But when it he's a true embodiment of Barcelona. Pep Guardiola video no say, "Oh, how mum famame."
Ricardo Modaruma, more Peps on Ballon d'Or.
I crowd on bet me about the amaya. Now, yeah, who send a new Messi because okay, I think say my name's I crowd. Say yeah, crowd so Modia Mama signal na. Ye be who send ye be na. Guardiola and some now can no. Meaning why it is difficult for people to understand. Say Pep Guardiola has always been a Messi bias. Pep Guardiola no. Me who platform a watching so and come be for Messi who or be against Messi da. So why are people even surprised?
Sir.
And
to the all can and no cray. Some Messi at distance in home.
Maybe.
Awards in football, but in 10 days we have the Ballon d'Or and two incredible stories at least. Messi with Argentina, Haaland here with the treble. If you had a vote, who would you vote for?
You're so funny. Always I said that the Ballon d'Or had to be two sections. One for Messi. Done. And after look for the other one. So Haaland should be win. Yes or yes. So we won the treble because scored 50.
So in some more canine, say he's trying to make us understand. Say Messi no, he is a god among humans. Messi now or Bobo no. Some of us we are lucky to see him play. It is when Messi has retired after 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, no. Then we will truly understand the magnificence of Messi in the Obey. Ronaldo so can be.
Yeah.
Since your fan is so light and so normal, it has never happened in football history before. So within the same era, Yebenya two great and I says two superstars they are going neck to neck and I say or more compete against each other. Ebin si wo football muda. Yebo Pele Maradona, they did not compete in the same era. Omo nye year mate and also omo nye era mate. Pele ne Maradona no.
Okay.
So ye won't be that. These two, Messi and Ronaldo, no de mai. Good. Now Pep ni a pro Messi. Into only come away for Ronaldo mbem. Me your shows uncle you be a liberal la. Kobeka so Messi ni Ronaldo na de omo ye de. Enke yenti omo awards in kwan fa momo. Na the rest ne sun compete.
Pep de no Kopama de no. Oh.
Kopama also idolizes Messi or a left-footed player, definitely. You will see, and watch your Palmer, he's not more of a scorer. He's more of somebody who facilitates, only creative. And anybody who creates will love Messi because chiefly he was a creator. And Sana, or then a prolific nature never can also share goals. So what Pep is saying here is this. Messi ne bro ye so. Now, and I'm saying, oh yeah, extraordinary ninty. Whenever he has a good season, you find normal.
Okay.
So on the tier. So you find no and that's why they want you when to me and share 9 tenibion, when to me and share 8 tenibion, when to me and share 7 tenibion, you find normal. So that is why people would discredit Messi in this conversation about the 2023 Ballon d'Or. But I was Obiano Kwai of us way. So on the evidence of the Obiano Kwai of us way, and Yakupo Yadama Monday, and obey Nipo winning awards. No, but behind the scenes, you didn't confirm say a brand Lionel Messi. And now watch it. Now why? The awards criteria need a voting pattern. Voting pattern or journalist 100 and a beko 2 abano. They will vote to decide who gets to win. Why a best selector when term no need this so net to associate into a fold anymore. Obey the criteria. This is it. Criteria and say almost the same from the previous existing one no and about a new existing one. First not Ballon d'Or no. Look at the omo say almost in a calendar year. Enti afi way adequacy way. So the confusion was baby a year and starting no etimi kosi season bi ana baby a year ne be end na now be rem into another season. Enti ama 4 year analysis na oh season way samiji way so season way sam say.
Okay.
So there was mostly confusion around the previous criteria. Ano ma modify no. Sisi de omo ye ne say one season. Any season in a year retrospect no more no. It will be the season directly we be ram this season. And for the 2023 Ballon d'Or, it will not be about 2023-2024 season no. It will be about the 2022-2023 season, and it will capture every competitioner the nominee no or compete in. In this case, Omonfa Messi winning Fantos on Famaye. Why is Messi in here? The confusion we make is that the last Ballon d'Or did not factor into being the FIFA World Cup.
Sir.
Yeah. This one never factor into being the FIFA World Cup because the World Cup was played in the 2022-2023 season. So last season, Messi for club about 41 matches.
Satano PS.
May find Inter Miami the end count because Inter Miami Okoshevino it also captures the 2022-2023 season.
Okay.
Now, PSG, you know, in all competitions, 41 matches, 21 goals, 20 assists. And to Osha, 41 matches and then 41 goal contributions. Every match be a Messi boy, you know, statistically,
one goal.
Trophies. Oh, we need the FIFA World Cup. Sanso J, the best player at the FIFA World Cup. Then, OJ French League. Then, OJ French Super Cup. This is Messi. And the case for him to win the Ballon d'Or. Now, Yaba Ellen Holland. Ono no ye the main competitor, now the main challenger on the Messi airplay. Haaland bought 53 matches for club Manchester City, 52 goals, 9 assists. And to what can it anymore? Haaland gives you 61 goals, meaning Nedian cry there, bro, 1 goal per game. No, Messi nyae. Then on the Champions League, or the Premier League, or the FA Cup, which is a treble. Something I never been seen in England before after Manchester United, yeah, in the 2000. Then or the Premier League Golden Boot or the UEFA Golden Shoe. So Haaland in the 2022-2023 season also had a very good season. But this is where the argument comes in. Messi excelled for club and country.
Messi a club in the country now.
Good. Individually, he's currently the best player in the world by virtue of winning the best player at the World Cup. Haaland did not even compete at that stage.
And
Tina de better na aka say Haaland de no de bedi nya ye kro free so. He's a Norwegian. And kwa ye French bi or ye English bi a, it gives him the opportunity so be compete in top 12 competitions, you know. Kebe pejano. Messi won the FIFA World Cup, which is the biggest international trophy.
Oh yeah.
The Champions League is a continental trophy. The FIFA World Cup is a global tournament. And to me, imagine we are seeing in our true one. And wow, just one continent, you know. Why and I need no associate the other? I won a league, I won a Super Cup, then I won the best player at the World Cup. So clearly, there can be cases for both Haaland and Messi. But me and say the command Messi a travesty of justice. I say I'm fa pepe ya fa nyejuma and you see Haaland. No, it is not the case. Obien who so the award name Messi obeka see Haaland. Clearly, Haaland did phenomenal. The same applies to Messi. But because of she 21 goals or she 20 or my 20 assists you find a normal. What they say record way statistics way ma any other player. We will put him in a Ballon d'Or conversation. Jorginho, the year na Chelsea dominating the quad. No, I want us to understand.
Not Italy.
Italy JDN Euros, Meboa, Chelsea J Champions League, Meboa. But individually, what was the contribution of Jorginho? But we were here making a conversation about Jorginho bet me aje. But why is it that they do Messi so dear? Yes, here Frakadam and because he's Messi, because he's great. So clearly, that is how the conversation. The purpose of more cano. Akwani nimbo nebo onimadia no so ye. Ano ya efe. Enchenka montene di anemfanto. Sani ebe ya yemfo bi mambe batane ho na be mbomma.
But when Ronaldo omo hankrofo pa o.
Omo hankrofo
because omo time your mama award na abubo bebre.
It tells you omo level. Omo level no. And so even if you get close to them, who say say me Haaland.
Because Messi J for the first time somebody J without omo born Europe.
Yeah. Me Haaland. Now I lose a Ballon d'Or award to Messi.
And then go here.
It's an encouragement because I am getting closer.
Okay.
Table no epono ya topono na. E kuku dam na be didi wopono ne so. Ana we ne de ye frame me by. By a friend me by no, I was limited to the amount of food I made me choose. I still sat with great men. Anya Shekran, they passed on great wisdom to me. Omu to me for mu say. So on the way sit here. And if I lose an award to Messi, it means me home. Because the next time, no, it could be me. Messi no oko. Europe no free or Ronaldo free. So if you push to get the same numbers, and how now obenya and Luther, you will be a friend of flash in the pan. You can get so close, but you can peel off and now you can pace off. Consistency in here. And the check character and the check greatness. Messi ni Ronaldo, the entire ball more, it is because of the consistency. They were consistent. If Haaland can be consistent, then we enter him into any conversation about football great. Now, be consistent enough and win. Ronaldo, all the attempts will make you a Ballon d'Or. He didn't win all of them, but I didn't stop him. Messi, all attempts will make he after the Ballon d'Or. He did not win all of them and stop him. So if you lose, because what the treble then go and sanka Julian Alvarez e sanka oje onoje World Cup
yeah
oje young best player okay no call by Enzo Fernandez good oje the treble na Haaland GB no GB anameboa and sanka no so sanka part of the conversation so let's tone down kakra na yente nyoma biase na yeah the way is yeah and there is something meaning so what taking notice about Ballon d'Or they do World Cup here and that I command they winning World Cup Zidane in 1998 oje then in year 2002 Ronaldo although say we manje
Brazil
exactly then in 2006 award ne kodema sorry Brazil Nigeria World Cup 2002 Ronaldo J 2006 Fabio Cannavaro Italy omo moje on winning the Ballon d'Or in 2010 Messi Bejifri when him Iniesta Nando Dona feels Iniesta and also oje then in 2014 Cristiano Ronaldo and so Ebabeje in 2018 Ekodema Luka Modric after an excellent World Cup campaign 2022 Karim Benzema
Mate me da se Mickey mame ni kan chemisike di kan ne me yenya draw CCA on say Sompa sika promotion ya showbo aka cho say ya trust bia ya cho sika e show no so u filia u sua dia u tie sports show papa no na ya say cho sika se unya nto ya to bra CCA because ya che ni 2 times ye di kan draw di kan ansa na e be sorry 12 no ye be san aya another draw 250 Ghana ye di che obi CCA and also obenya sika kakra bi ato umomo wallet no so na otuba ko bi ye to 5 cities madikam wapo bi ese oto no dodo no na wo number no e doso e wa fidie no so tie basa na ye to a wo number no na e doso e roll sa and two opportunity say obetime anya and also dial star 256 star 3 hash na watimi adi me ba cho mo me nhwe first draw mo me yanko na yenhwe the winner obi the lucky person no anope ya se the obi force be jangurengwen sesi ya
we no boys now bet scan this weekend a bet diamamo no dey for 20 bi
eno na ekọ no
some pes scan so
we omamia so
odi 250 ne pe fa invest wa komia code no obechiche no
code miensa e dey aba ko be fa
no e dey mienu mpo na be
fa
nti we no a strategy for 20 kwaji 250
number
250 ne mu 150 eguso
Anglican nyame bram Anglican nyame bram Jesus number bi atwam number bi atwam yeah Sompa sika promotion yeah jedwa
ne yanko ye hu de be ye na
Sompa sika promotion
say ye be jedwa so
yeah jedwa obi ay lucky 0530642 the last 3 digits no eya na ye de te mo nyana mo mafre ni pakro obi fon so e jangurengwen sesi onyeska
we I heard the better 20 cities na koje o
enu akra mo die nyina obi atwa 11 o 5 cities
imagine
enu mo nya ye ni nyina mo mafre ma sesi me ba cho betimi na se ye nwie obetimi aguso onsa no pelibia bogache bi en yeso ye chebie enti yeguso asompa menyu kasa fide ni mfiro yeguso che dial star 256 star 3 hash 3 star 256 star 3 hash
na odiaguso
enti
o dial ya de be ban say station no obehu Sompa Kumase Sompa Sunyane ana Sompa Nkranza and am say wo hwe dwumedie no wo Sompa Kumase nti no wa Sompa Kumase o choose we a na wa enter number of tickets a opesa woto enti onya aboshe o ticket ba ko bia 5 cedi and is a woto ticket for na 20 cedis
okay
me the maximum amount me encourage you bia say on to we likely so be winning 6
30 cedis
exactly. But to even improve the chances of winning, no, and I will increase your chances.
10 50.
Yeah, 10. Or 10 ni tumwa. And the luta. Dan cry obedi. Dan cry. To the 50 ni beji.
Yeah, we are ways.
There's our profit of 200 cedis.
Right.
So a strategy. We know.
Okay, mama, you nipa ono so obi oye lacking.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Me ba cho udin to say. Francis. Una wanya Sompa sika promotion una wadi ti alert sika na be good phone so
ba
say
2.5
250 250 Ghana cedis uto say
5 cedis
oto ba ko pe
mi 2 menu
Into 10 cities.
Ah.
240. Now, who are fine?
No offense, so.
Oh, share your floor offense. So,
that's right.
into some Pasica promotion, and no crown, I say, no cray.
No cray.
Into then I catch you be a old shabby beer.
Make us say, I'm going to Kevin.
Okay. You better say, Gusua, try. Why? You better say, Mickey, you call Zoom no.
And pay 240.
40 or the 10 cities and 240.
Zoom that Twitter.
We
call your Twitter and some passports official. Obe when your Zoom link no abaso. And the question and then ki ebisa na and one partial. Na ye hu enti man you for na start.
Yanko Hajia. Hajiaba.
Say man you for na sa.
Hajiaba baso. Mommy and Shani and Hajiaba nin come out. Hajiaba to say. Hajiaba.
Yeah, senior.
That to say.
Nyamiadum, I have a course. I also work for
Nyamiadum. Nice, so fine.
As a say, dear mate,
Adenta, nice one. Now support to team bay.
No one and Mickey can say or will be pink. I can't. You're United and I have to book in so they are come super.
Now, near question B. And Sana Obaba United more Sheffield United game ball. Now be Kebia fair had to full game so more bad than Chelsea squadder or the J 2004-2005 Premier League. Consider just 15 goals season, you know. What they compare Arsenal squad call unbeaten in 2003-2004. Diana squad a record ben more than as they say o team B bet me aye. Oh, Ajaba. Oh, network, no. Oh, network, no.
Yeah.
Maybe I shot him in car. Ajaba Timan car. Okay. You go so Oko Twitter Sompa Sports Official. Yeah, the Zoom link na to Fana join here. Na ye nin komo team support na wotwe awie ye no aka bibia fa team no ye question of the day na eno so no why obetim so afre on normal call 0551931931 0548931931 obetim afre na also de bibia ba em say obi aba so ye nhwe na yemfa obi o ha obetima for 0551931931 utima support de na wo kan game bay mo bono na team bay na mo no muhia so na question of the day Chelsea squad for 2004-2005 Mourinho do mo je no any Arsenal unbeaten squad no record no je ne mu eden Hale Chelsea squad Hale
hello
me ba cho udin
me ba cho me din di kuti me ka play your offense.
Okay. Question of the day no kwa man say.
Ba jo say.
Question of the day. Yetio.
Ba cho me don.
Oh. Kasa de yetio kasa.
Me da masinu madwuma pa mo bone ne ka yetie mu pa nyankopon enhira mo pa.
That ye dase. Okay. Hale. Yes, sir. Good morning, Pacho man. So kakra ma me udin ba bia o kasa free.
Me ni jawo, kasa free gen check man.
Okay, you tie one up eh.
Me Arsenal fan. And the game here, very exit that kind of. And Arsenal, yeah, fight game no. Bala. Now one thing I'm gonna say, Arsenal 2004 and Chelsea 2005. So become beating badly. Heading. So we both put 9 games. Now we're like walk on beating. One task compared to will be 15 games walk on series. Nedia. Can make them go for Arsenal. Then I have to go to a chance to go one more day. But maybe my
yes, so that's it. Hale. Yes, sir. We didn't be free.
Your friend will look up for me. That's what I can't.
Yenti o minua.
We dey make a kaka. I support you up. My friend will look. The can edit upon it. And then I have been there. I'm up the bra. Baby video. You bet me a song there. We do mountain. Na make a kaka swap. After 9:30, when it says 30 near the
okay. Also, bit my friend, I'm in fan of that color. Halle.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, boss. We didn't be free.
It's a teaching habit. I'm from Central Region. My name is Yes. Okay. You say ask me now much better because you're not on phone card.
Okay. My this time I'm say Hajiaba Aba. Hajiaba.
Yeah.
I said them said them.
Yeah, sure.
My way.
Well, said now can say Chelsea be consider just 15 goals in a season. Arsenal be competing all. In all honesty, to be Samia, I always said those records and it can be armor because it will be anyway favor me. It be anyway me that Nenya Krana can be armor. But to know that Arsenal at the end is very difficult, you know. You compare it to Liverpool, I think 2018-19 season. They almost went unbeaten. I'm back as 40 in our share or more juice and at the end of the day, it took Watford that now only baby pay behind the ball Liverpool 3-0 to end our record. So slightly, I think make you see Arsenal beating no a little over Liverpool. Rivalry aside, I think going on beating no, it's something I doubt he be beat me say SNSC or Premier League anymore.
Okay. Now with team Liverpool, Man United, sorry.
You mean your album so? Album so.
And I had to focus now there.
Yeah, sure. Man United there fans and what that. And then Hoyland best the first goal. Yeah, 3 goals in there. Then beba. Mopa Mon Toronto after 9 p.m. on Friday. And how to focus so and then the BC da and the BC one kind. Across post stadium the BC da and the BC. Internal so Mon Toronto. See Yakopo pa after 5 p.m. no how to focus score line no. I be surprise them. And then after 9 p.m. also, Man United yeah, no super boom. And then so support United, support how to focus. And pro so be didi because when you want to, at the end of the day, you know, we appetite to be didi kama. See the woman on menu. Na match because of Kumase. No, ni anu talk about. You know, atanga ni atungu kwa. Kusini mensa the fire. The bekoso na fire. Then about Kubisu, then about Kubesre, and only in your phone or massive.
Okay.
Your bumpire, you've been a community loose, but you bet you beat me. I have found with you.
And that's a quarter coordinations now. Come at me, that say, Mamma, another caller.
Hello, good morning. Some passports to you.
Yes, sir.
You have a card yet?
Yamia Dumomini and also.
The friend the new school. Now, Chelsea, Arsenal, the idea. I mean, I idea. But outside was Arsenal because enabling there's a called beating. There's a amount of nature, big days near the idea. And then they say this. Then, moreover, so Real Madrid, Madrid. Now, Champions League here, a bad day to be a bad day. Then only there will be empty. I mean, come on.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Mama call Zoom no so na me iPhone enin come iPhone.
Oh, big boss, as you say.
Nyame adom na so
You Manchester United fan and your man you gina akono. Yam watching so photograph so you gina akono.
Okay.
Do I wish ya. Nina wins na your provide question na will be say from 2005 Chelsea team in 2004. Sorry, boss, Arsenal team no na yet you by we share the likes of Manchester United money are there. Was you they my Arsenal for the no like Mono there was reaching Chelsea for the and I need to be an wow with the Premier League the Chile the Oben say na Arsenal modern then. I was Richard Chelsea for the other by United clean sheet Rasmus Holland in the ovation first goal and Bruno Fernandes as everybody expecting and I'm sure Unana very surprises and everything Unana very Yama.
Me da say iPhone no ma fa another caller so Hali
Hello.
Yes sir. Udin.
I say for me.
But talk as a friend. Hali. Okay. My young call Zoom na young say timeless about timeless. Ejura.
Yeah, senior. Ejura.
Ejura fine.
Ejura me person.
Okay. Yo. Young kwe.
According to the game na me pese me twa ma drink akra. It's about Chelsea Arsenal.
Okay.
Maybe a full supporter, and you know.
Me ba cho I timeless unim. Yi I ni free wa you ni free wa no kakra ne antini ye.
Okay. Arsenal is about
Yetio.
Chelsea, although we know that, but lineup, you know, say Banner, you won't say there are some particular players who not Chelsea anymore. The better understanding was say Chelsea will have the upper hand over Arsenal. And you know, Arsenal they more form change, but today it's must win for Chelsea. Nicola Jackson will do the work for us. One good win as that's it.
Me da say Mamin ko na me Dominic so eni nkomo Dominic.
Yes sir.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Now where the boss?
Boko na Dominic ko fine.
I have one can see.
Okay. Dominic na team be na support na ye ko say.
Oh. Then you never walk alone and Liverpool.
Okay.
The whole England, no size. And then one player see beating I will need a game, and one until one player see the other fan. I can't remember Nanka United is so loose. Nanka Arsenal and Chelsea about draw. Nanka Man City is so be a hole. Nanka BS, minutes. Nanka Kotokoso, so I do one of my. Now, weekends, no, you movie. Money and Nejuma.
That's say God's way so abba. I mean, call them God's way. God's way. Good morning. God's way. God's way. Good morning. Why mute your microphone, Anna?
Yes, sir.
Nadia na wanyana no pay.
Yeah, morning.
Nadia no pa wanya wano aye business ano.
So.
God yenti wano pay yenti na wo fine. Okay, my uncle Mr. Loho. Uncle Mr. Law, good morning. Hello, Mr. Law. Mr. Law. Oh. Mr. Law, good morning. Okay. Right, I'll call some passports official on Twitter. Zoom link, no. Now, I share some TV. And then that's no. Na obetima join na bibia kama 0551931931 so obetima afre na also wakan bia for club our support in question of the day and some na ye kana some ye bisa ye no so wakan bibi e de afa ho 0551931931 0548931931 obetima join on Zoom. Hale
Hello.
Yes, sir. Would you baby are free?
Let me something. I am not here.
Darby. Emmanuel, a Japan so about on Zoom. Ima, me patro mo ba, I am when you su mic na munyai TV no why?
Okay, boss.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Number 2 for him.
More paga,
nice one. Young Quay, na timba na support na your question you size out ya wadwen kire say.
We will Liverpool.
Oh, ne the Liverpool for mo ba papa.
We will Liverpool. My question now is for Arsenal name Chelsea record. Adam football share me pa ne da Watford for share. Sara na mo asama kese. Wanjimiana.
Oh,
boys zimi man call me home. It's on beating beer. Bad thing. EPO ni.
Okay.
Bernard yeah, all me for Liverpool. Back idea be having their parents says I can more club number. Mukaje says say players ni e man Gomez Mobi.
Oh my why?
E man Gomez Mobi.
Oh what day?
Oh Gomez the don't be Liverpool be am clean heavy.
Ade wanya ade ana
wo je Liverpool defenders na kire me de Gomez ya ade sen
me da say ma me ko Galaxy so na ya ne Galaxy so eni nkomo Galaxy me ba cho mo ba munyai TV no na munyusu mo ayi no mai me
Galaxy so flow mo biana.
Okay, I'm saying Galaxy nya yi ma me fa obi e wa ha. Hale.
Oh.
Yes sir, udini ba bia free.
Chairman, Hello.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Yes, I'm the Blues. Only phobia supporters.
Oh.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because I feel my face.
Yetio.
And then you come my did fancy and they got 3 points number now. 3 goes to Madrid. You behind Cheso.
Okay. That's it. My for we so Hale.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Udin baby are free.
Your friend, I could see Preku, a catapult Mozongo.
I was seeing Tiwe.
I don't, and I'm a chair, Liverpool 4 fans, phobia 4 fans now. Also, we got a question if Arsenal unbeaten Chelsea 15 goals, concede. But my cousin Arsenal, they need difficult. But I will go EPL, the whole season. Obey unbeaten there. Won't say Arsenal.
Okay, me that say. Hale. Yes, sir.
I only have Solomon.
Solo me ba try yenti. Yenti.
Na from one side to say watch man obedano. But more of us will never Japan na Liverpool a match we can hear ball against Blackton or Anfield. Especially Papa is in a pump about side of the company mountain, not 3 points, naming league with a city media. And I am here the more chance of commercial Santa Cotoco, Yaqua Blanca say. Oshe said the necessity for Musi Casanwa. Omokasa ni na omodi eni die ni obu e da makomasa Santa Cotoco. By a man no night, trimu them. Yamia the more chance, Yakoho, near Como Musica, near for 3 points nearby. Because we 30 cities are Omodia, as is Omupesica into Omovia. you better support us and so any penny for a yard and they did with 10 cities now yet, you know. You're moving to 10 cities on 20 cities. Now Kotoko 10 cities to watch India, Boko Kotopa, what Kotoko did and come Tuesday Ghana the many teams and get to 10 cities and the Kotoko Yabu 10 cities and so any penny for a yard and near Tumkaka. I'm for the Kotoko ye, yes, you
Mr. Medase, Mamen call Namni Emmanuel Tevia and come on Zoom. Ima, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Now, what to say?
I am your domain, boss.
Now, Ima Shahin.
Share Ajua Takradi.
Okay, Ima, now Timbai.
Real Madrid all the way.
Okay, we are Madridista.
Was ya.
Muni Sevilla.
In Sevilla, this match, Mitchell Sevilla, one go, Grandpa still, Madrid, the baby in Sevilla. I mean, Mitchell Sevilla, one go, when I'm a central Madrid straight to win.
Okay.
You good to 50 cities, with the unready. But this match is a Madrid, don't move my best shimmy about was still Madrid, baby in the match.
That's say.
Now, question of the day news, you know, or a very difficult day, team bubble 49 matches. Now back at the own lose one in book. Bossman, on your birthday. And the Arsenal won them record and they were very difficult to break. But just in there, where either City or Arsenal will break it that chase one record. No one set for but Arsenal when they unbeaten in it. I don't think their team will break for now.
Okay. Me da say obetima frɛ normal call na waba so 0551931931.
Hello.
Yes sir, we didn't be free.
I from Gadiani.
Yet you.
I make a safa Chelsea any Arsenal beating in Kakra. Me na me kwa Arsenal dey because the Arsenal here ni dey one. Want to win all matches so abra obi antimi share and the Mudamaya dey me support Madrid in the Madrid die hard fan and then against Sevilla ni dey Vinicius Ramos making up I sure mu 3-1.
Okay. AMG Aba AMG good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Net 7 year.
I'm here to go just Sompa TV.
Sompa ni.
I thought you the person be consider our sport.
Mpacho wo so yeti o.
But your question they are colleague. And you make am jump to come to marry.
Okay.
That doesn't mean to say last year media magic gala le no. Omo ya say.
Me pacho you adaro ma ye de be man why?
I don't know if say how about how complain on house because we just like now we need to go to one player back home. They didn't continue to improve about my Africa Malay.
Mate, my young Kwani Slim Rich ending come on Zoom. Slim.
Yo, Bema.
Good morning.
Fine morning.
Net to say.
Nyame adom make us a free trade na me Liverpool ni kese pa.
Okay.
And I say any game na yeden by all means yeden you be win. Na me pacho sporty you code money sporty dey mo wanam dey ato so am ya na yen so sporty.
Yeah, ni bet way na ya adwuma nti bet way and you use you. E ho so na eno so na mu ode. Bet way ni mu ode.
Why can't they was a matching up ni bi na
Sesia she. Yes, yeah, that's it. Okay. Mama call phone lines no so na me hwe. Hali.
Hello.
We ba cho di no ba bia free.
Right, na some game come.
Enka so.
Idi ani Mr. Paul aka Abumu chairman Obuasi Adanse. Na only bibi.
Joka.
Media phobia. Never say die until the goals are rotting supporter. Okay, and the name said the end of the day, no, give a 3 points. And now come on inside the Blues. And then Arsenal for common cost from platform. And then the Blues. And you say that to us, I get 3 points. Why? Near to us, what the league next year now. So why? Now go for one come on.
Okay, yes, we had that. See, my father, another caller. Hali.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, boss.
Good morning, sorry. I'm from Baba Police. Cape Coast one, Baptist one man support tobacco pay. Hello.
Yes, I'm about to meet you, Minia.
Yeah, from Baba Police, the first Cape Coast.
Yo, Baba, you too.
Yeah, the Cape Coast Baptist supporter, one man supporter.
Okay.
But media more match the bay.
Mediama. How many dreams in a ball?
By the grace of God, me down bashe 2-0.
Okay.
And I one by Baptist, you are quite away. The coffee possible. Inshallah, what I say, bashe 2-1. And Liverpool so almost over beach and weekend I damn when qua. That's it.
Mr. Medasi, Mammy Kozum nam the quicker ending come on. Quicker, good morning. Quicker. Quicker, Atimenka, good morning. Okay. Mammy phone lines also. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. We didn't be free.
What are Stephen or Philip?
We about to eat you.
Make a chance now for you where a moment from the Abel record. In my ANC soda. And I say, I'm also in my bona on my house phone so into lose my enemy. Yeah, the must say,
yes, sir. Yeah, that's it. Mammy call iPhone, not any iPhone in come on. iPhone, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Boko dear.
The Diabo for manager.
iPhone into.
iPhone in come on. Good morning.
iPhone, I am Mamun TV now. Why? Okay, iPhone on T and Kamaminfa Obiwaha. Hale. Opele mpacho yeti o. Opele yeti o.
Minya, I am the same. Oka Chelsea on beating no, and me Arsenal on beating Chelsea. Sir. 15 minutes. Go now. Yes, you say we to not to go. I'm doing it so now. And where is it? Something matches never go to goals. Arsenal or beat no. A club in Man City here 2014 to 4 club in 30 record. It is how we did it. And so we go to here now. We go to news. Yeah, that's a so we see this nano. We see what they are done. The beer will bring you beer. That's a sort of impact. Similar, or beer will say, similar, and the study going. Now, I can't tell you the gate in the and now we walk to go in the Ujaya Pamano about the pizza. And yes, I'll tell you in case Minya and Jay and Crawford. I'm going to me. The bonfire saying, we are to my dinner, but the Koyabasina really, I have them so. Let us know. My body, I have a pa.
So, Medasipa. But you're dying, you're bar. Yeah, the Aka never trusted them. I Sompa 93.1 FM Cine live on Sompa TV.
Betway is your gateway to a theme park full of gaming excitement. A whirlpool of wonder where your favorite games come to life. Where you can take to the skies with max payouts that reach into the millions. All in the palm of your hand. Visit betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Betway is regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way. stand to win your share of up to 10 million Ghana cedis in prizes with Betway's Scratch and Win. You can earn your first scratch card by playing table games, slots, or quick games. Scratch and reveal a range of exciting prizes from smartphones to fuel vouchers and more. Visit www.betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Sompa achedie Yaba Sompa achedie 2023 Bible say nyame sompa pa ne say obi kon nyanka ene ewisia mobo enuti Sompa 93.1 Kumase Sompa 90.7 Enkransa Sompa 98.9 Sunyane yaka bom se bronyen yebema enisia ene ekrafo edidi na yenko ayetimi age se wo beboa yen enti se yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598559802 meetimu biem 0598559802 edi waso yetara 1 media na November bosome no ni de edi kan na ye chro ekrafo ni din enti se wo nkransa na wo yekrania kotro wudin e wo Sompa enkransa GCB edanimu ho a wo sunyane so a kotro wudin e wo Sompa sunyane night market ho a na Kumase de ekrafo nyina ba be tro wo no din e wo Sompa ye ni Nrom hotel de no hye e ye busumi du ba kono ni de di kan na dwumadie no akasa de bronya busumi ni de to so aduonu ba ko ni bebodwa trada na de mo de tom ye no ye de ama ekrafo yi
wo de bibi wo 1 million
ko se 1 million wo de ba to akoko
me ba to akoko
na de abomo
na me de abomo no so
eni anwa
ne sadi si no so nyame nhira mo pa mo ya de pa
na yesika na ye ntoma so a wo betimi de aba afenso se ye niema bi ense ye ti se mo eni anwa so a ye beji mo amu ye bi afie twa mu no emu adanse de de mo amu nim Sompa achede 2023 abusuafo yamfa ye ho hyem na propose prempa oboadu ponko mu ye nyankopon obeyi ye wiye Sompa achede 2023 ekunafo eni enyanka ne so wo mu bedidi.
Right, yes, I'm about Sompa 93.1 FM. So, live on Sompa TV. Jumadia uti ni je dasu ya final lap. Saturday biano non kuno ko se premo beto ne de bro. Na mamin ko na min ko din ko mosime du ede enimi. Yene Ernest Ernest industry from Conkodin come na the Ernest ointment any awake natural capsules abedwaman so young young good morning.
Good morning.
Bokodiye.
Nyame adom.
Oh yes, ampa utimi no abodwese no kra di Ernest ointment one dance here. If so bia woni mi wo the Ernest ointment bi fa wa enche bon sampa utwa fruma ne na nensempa be na mode maye.
Well, yentia I4 near T4 and Sompa TV, Sompa FM. Na said the Odi can introduce and Ernest Industries here. You know, Ernest ointment na weak natural capsules. Na Ernest ointment said the Odi can Emma we intro no. Wa uni no. We use the Ernest ointment ebeboa Emma uni no etimi efu kama pa e de amount. Na Ernest ointment nya no nko na ye edi djuma hodu bebre e woni pedua nim. But ye bedi kan de numbers no e de atodwa na afie ne ya toa ye nkomo twetwen no. So ye numbers no enie numbers ya wo fa me pa cha ofra enye Ernest ointment na weak natural capsules nko a o de bibia how bia no say bia wa pomodin bibia no fra a team of doctors no bejo so no atwetwe nkomo impose what Ernest ointment and awake natural capsules ne bi na unim direction and kwa be fa so be using na ofra ya be modin na ya jo so na afi ye no atwetwe nkomo nti numbers no 0245
07 07
99
99
15 0245
0245
99 07 99 15 we and Stable Industries and numbers I did my fresh see our doctors never fan if you want to watch komo afra bibiara on tiasia hona Ernest ointment and they say in competition I say and anope na Ernest ointment de a draw a herbal formula ye de nuaba and afi hama and ye de into a purely organic and as a herbal ye di two ye honam any yare ase na ye ka Ernest ointment there will be any say eba honam any yare there the most efficacious ointment for skin related diseases and I say skin rashes and you may be my skin and I hunam diano a touch maybe ano and no a Ernest ointment and a de kun san yare in the for yare one dose you kasi bubu dia but ye bebo kakra bi say ye kakarere and I'm a patch of a Ernest ointment and I kwakoto a very efficacious into kotoa na obomodia the accessory area na kakarere na ye ne bebo amanako afi uyo bia a ye ade friend a crow and a gua auto Ernest ointment use it apply will be a chrono egu any part of your body now all the bibia be boanma and also etimi afi the amount na ade ba ko aya na very endemic to the skin no so ade friend ananse no eno no hu de said akokofa ba ebi say heat ebi so say it is only said there but one thing I meet me aka show say Ernest ointment etimi to ananse ase cry in a space of 3 days na me koye program e Royal TV me koye na host no na ananse egu no yoba ohene ba se wa bonsu atisem talk show and I'm a man be 3 days time me call na ananse naira use Ernest ointment na ananse naira into a show say Ernest ointment no etimi ananse pa and na say honam ni yare bia no or the Ernest ointment etimi boa ema etimi to ase e de ma afa utie me na say wo no skin rashes bebre obi wa ne de na pimple obi wa ne de na ite say pompo e wo ma na esi no na ekọ obi wa ne de na ite say tete straight to say any skin rashes e wo honam bia no me pa so na no pay Ernest ointment and I make count for them for numbers no 0245 07 99 15 0245 07 99 15 0245 07 99 15 first see ebiana wo de no ebiana o de no the real situation is here no obehia some bit of education as to how obesi a director na obesi apply nkuna ni na ebe show na bibia etimi akokama afi ade ba ko very endemic to the skin stretch marks especially enuanom ma no stretch marks di enuanom ma ne bebre nya pa nti ama omuntimi enhye ntade bi omope unse na age ya ewo mi 21st century obi a person at least or showcasing about no obi who what she is made of but nam nenso be nti obi ho a onye kramoni ba wa force ya na ne kramoni by force obi ho na bi as wa gu maya fia na jarabia ne sa anwoma no because the skin no enya appealing like obi sha ne anyewe nti eba sa na time bi person kata no ho me pa cho oyo ba na wutie me na bia wo ye bema o girlfriend o yere stretch marks agunu hunam bebre ya ba modern akoto Ernest ointment na fama no na on fansesa or the sra ebeyi sa stretch marks ni na dey free ho one thing I was stretch marks no one say e ade bia na ko den pa nti amafo use so many products I using so many ways am person mo de ko but o ko enko but one thing is on is nyankopon de bo nipa ana nyankopon no bo nipa se broni car no se car ne say ya o de ko ne ya ama ono provide part ananoma de sauso nyankopon bo nipa no nim de no nim se noma bebedu ama ya activities bi ba ko fa noma bi e de abreye eni nti na o san se munni duaba na mamfa na hahan no ensa yare wei eso na Ernest Herbal Industries ye di purely herbal ye de hahamani nuane ya ye di ye gava ye popo ene ye pe ya ye di ya na yakeka bom ne de ye Ernest ointment nti so wo de sra eyi honam ani za yare bia nti me sra wo stretch marks no wo de koto Ernest ointment wo de wo use ya cha by 1 month na at least uhu bibi because empanyimfo say edua edi mfia dua san acha no ye mfada kro entene no say ohu say the longevity and I say said your skin disease na si acha wo ho no e be take some time ansa na akọ but ye wo normal minor issues bia ne de obetimi de bia pimple ketua bia ba besiu and all this in a space of 3-4 days we bo hu say na ira na de feel the amount inti me say wa stretch mask koto Ernest ointment never stra afi na nso oben enso ade ba akọ no nso ha ye nuanom ma no most especially pa na nso oben no ade ba akọ no nso e ba so intimi ema ete self confidence so untimi nko ba bi obi atimi ko social gatherings ye pie ye ko ha ye ba ha obo so untimi nko bi enu nti ebi mu kra ntimi nko asori Michelle, so your bar na utie me na say nenso ben ayewa me pacho o last stop to disease na say nyoma na ekoso na Ernest ointment prove say me too Sanen so benasi because amount for use bi and almost testimonies and answer than CD at the eba in same dia ya kan ha bia no yenim say yaduro no highly efficacious say etimi esan yarewa bia obeto aduro no na egu ho no na mom no a na do so much ewo testimonies and answer than CD amount for at the eba you so much so many testimonies amount for free oh me use Ernest ointment aboa me ama to stretch marks aboa me ama yi na so ben aboa me ama yi we e de afi ho intime show say me ebiana wo use product bebre ama obam kura bu ebiana wo nso ebiana wo no because of nyoma wo use ama obam abu nti what an doubting Thomas koto Ernest ointment 1 container or the to 1 piece ne bo nso nyeden now the so keke just or the so at the end of it all no so we use container na wie na say there hasn't been any significant improvement there obetimi aka say Ernest ointment ne sebi eyehudo rather sem bi ne ye ba be catch but okoto Ernest ointment I may show bo say ube use here no say we are no say into ase a na wanya significant improvement say otokoswa yare ne betimi atu ase e di amount numbers ni biem 0245 07 99 15 0245 07 99 15 Ernest ointment I make one say me pacho Ghana ha herbal shop bia obeko bia ne bi ho pharmaceutical shop bia obeko bia ne bi ho cosmetic shop bia obeko ne bi ho na mom say open duduo mu atu no friend numbers no 0245 07 99 15 0245 07 99 15 o TV so screen so egu so afi okọ Felicia Bako and Sons e Kumase okwa obenya Ernest ointment ato PFA pharmacy e Tafuni Road e Kumase obenya Ernest ointment do bia opebi ato afi okọ Fredimens Herbal e KO obenya Ernest ointment do bia opebi ato Danny Herbal enso e Ashtown obenya Ernest ointment do bia opebi ato afi so okọ Misty Herbal enso e KO anase mrom obenya Ernest ointment do bia opebi na afi watimi ato Colinac e Ashtown enso okwa obenya Ernest ointment do bia opebi atimi ato G-Root pharmacy e Asafo Ahemfie Junction okwa obenya Ernest ointment do bia opebi atimi ato Perlin pharmacy e Swami roundabout ya odu ani ache sofola no on sal left e Abrosan so obenya Ernest ointment do bia opebi atimi ato me say herbal shop bia no okwa Accra na Boache Herbal obenya bia to afi Kings Walk Herbal obenya bia to afi Repass Ventures e Okashi Drug Lane obenya Ernest ointment to Binko pharmacy Ozon's Chemist afi herbal shop bia koforudia enkoko Accra oboase be bia obeko bia no be bia he organ ha bia no obenya Ernest ointment ni bi no abomode atimi ato afi me pacho wutie me na se uninwi mo amunini yo mema ni bebre ho ato bia boosters no saa bia boosters e ka wa bo ho no sabi odi tususu bia nko betimi dia ato moto ana betimi dia ato car but still nyini emma anu no chawo say maza honam na ye nam no ye wonoma bi akeka boma etimi ma enwini timi fu and saa nyoma no na Ernest ointment ye dia ye saa nku no e boa for hair growth intini me pa chawo say opese wonyini fu a bia boosters no wato ebe bank aba wato ache koto Ernest ointment 1 container how do you use it obehu say unyina sase efu emma na me pa chawo mu trinwini ebubu no okọ hairdresser no ho a oye utini wi a now the Ernest ointment na man no de bia sasrase ne beboa ama utini no atimi anya hode na atimi afu kama de amam afi nso utie me oyo ba na sa wase ho no aya na hu say unpleasant smell bi and nsuo bi gugugugu anwumre okwakoda to Ernest ointment ba ko fa ba sawom na afi fa kwa ha ebeboa ama ho atimi ache me so atimi aye kama me time na so hey me time na so scare ketwa bi on the awake natural capsules they me summarize no eno no
okay the number na akra ne here nkro pa
okay yemfa number no biem 0245 07 99 0245 07 99 15 okay different number no but it will be on awake na fe yem fancy awake natural capsules no dey me say enchen say obey yare anse wanum bi eye herbal formula eboa ye ntem bia na ema ya hoden na ebusi immune system no meti ayi ma no mienu anopai enwumira me da me no mienu de enti atem bia me active eye awake natural capsules no kwa na e ba akopɛ awake natural capsules no eboa wo ema wo ye active ema e stimulate your mood ema wo timi ye adwuma time I saw that eboa ma wo timi da ɛboa ɛma o systems no ɛwɔke a function very effectively na one thing I ɛwɔ nipadua no ho ne sɛ debi ameka me si nipadua no ɛyɛ complex machine na nipadua no complex machine ɛyɛ ni na ɛte sɛ yɛ marathon no wage no de ama we wage no de ama we nti sɛ wɔn hwɛ nipadua no akɔ baabi yie na sɛ yare bɛka we ya potentially ebetimi affect other organs of your body into the time the and make sure say be boy nipadua no ho ban by way of see ebusi immune system no aduro ne ba akopɛ awake natural capsules wo ye me maame wo ti dwom sabre wo hye me awake natural capsules ko tobi ebeboa matem bi o ya active awia no so na motena de yare bebre drivers for ye nsem twa adwuma betena se bia be 3 hours na wo sisi ni ade me pacho awake natural capsules na me count for e de amount emema na ye modern mo empem wo form no premature ejaculation sexual weakness waist pains and this annual money na me pacho koto awake natural capsules and only a dual koto a ebeboa na afia me bibia nso etimi akwa numbers no for the last time 0245 07 99 15 0245 07 99 15 now me time na so minim say so but I'm just 30 seconds Michelle.
Oh yes so yeah Brenna so yes that's a all right yeah but Nya yonga se obegyina mu kasa kamadema eye Ernest Herbal Industry na watimi atensempa na de abobra ne mfa nsem kakra aboabo no afise mu engu fam emfam ye tie fo hye se mese ache osika ansa ne dwumadie no aba na wie Sompa sika promotion eno an se ubetwa 5 Ghana cedis pe na bibia aye kama eno an se owura mu a na wa follow na eno an se fa phone na star 256 hash na bibia so aye kama na de 3 na to aso star 256 star 3 hash na wa bona bibia aye kama star 256 star 3 hash na wa sende Sompa kumase Sompa sunwane Sompa enkranza na wa select bibia wa wutie dwumadie no opushi ekwa ye twedro na so dia bia be kama de ama na nura Bet Power Premier League week 6 eso etimi esase na piem wa Accra Sports Stadium Accra Lions etina fie ema Real Tamale United eso eno mo ebeboye ba na wie na Real Tamale United a share Accra Lions e kamiensa amomati ekanu ba ko hwa branti a ye friend Abdul Rahman Ali enya go ba ko Edma Accra Lions nenso ankosiaga na mum abranti no Baba Kushibu ese good ma Real Tamale United ena abranti a ye friend Abdul Aziz eso enya bi eka ho eso Edma Real Tamale United ma bibia eso ekoye edmom na man of the match no ekoye Edma abranti Baba Kushibu obodma Real Tamale United ono ena game ni ba na wi onya man of the match no onya man of the match no or the ensem bi tudwa yenti ensema Baba Kushibu edi tudwa.
A marvelous performance considering the fact that we were playing away from home. And to be fair with the other venues, Accra seems to be a neutral venue. If you play well, you are going to get the maximum points. And that was what kept us going. I seem to see that we are at the top bar. It's just early days yet. The focus is just to stay up. So at the end of the day, whatever comes up is a bonus.
And we are some of the two. Then watch Coach Ibrahim Tanko. So the Accra Lions by Obedin Chono. After the game, results that you do to
Yeah, very unfortunately, 3 games here, 0 points. That is very bad for us. But I mean, we are a young team. We have to keep on working and then hope that it will be fine soon. Can't change that if we are a young team. I mean, hard luck. Maybe we give the opponent and all the chances to score for us. I mean, we score a little bit. I think 1 or 2 goals, but the rest is against us. As I said, we have to keep on working. We have a young team. They can make me.
Eno saba coach Fred Ibrahim Tanko ma Accra Lions edi tudwa after say Real Tamale United be show mo 3-1 na eno china coach no Abdul Mumin Abdullah Real Tamale United coach eso ekasai.
Thank you very much. I told you we're going to have a very good game and this will be the beginning of our away win and it has come to pass. Yes, we studied their game and then we analyzed it very well. We knew they were good technically on the ball. We took them on the break and with high pressing we were able to get the needed results. The game is such that at the end of the day they will ask you scores. They will say the team that played with the highest percentage. We wanted to do the right thing. That was the goals, and after getting it, we allowed them to keep the ball. The presence of Mankuyele is going to be this in a breakthrough, and he really did it. You showed this in the.
And we are Coach Edma RTU edited ne yɛnhwɛ ɛne game a ɛbɛtɔ dwane ɛkyina games ahodoɔ a ɛbɛba so ɛwɔ Bet Power Premier League Week 6 no ɛnɛ upie mu a Accra Hearts of Folk ɛbɔ against FC Samates ɛwɔ Accra Sports Stadium na game ni yɛ 3 p.m. ɛna ɛbɛtɔ dwa na upie mu a sei ɛna wɔn ɛnhyehyɛeɛ no ɛso esi ɛteɛ I just say PM na kwe game ni bia popular standard 20 Ghana cedis, center line 40 Ghana cedis, lower VIP 80 Ghana cedis, and a VVIP 100 Ghana cedis. And no, the game Hearts of Folk ni Samates edbe pim so na no no osa ewrewrema nianhwe coach even Evans Aduti mediama game almost ebebo against a Dreams FC no and a coach Evans Aduti at the ensembia to the concerned players omo prepare mediama intensema coach Eddie Tuja.
We definitely want to claim the maximum points. Likewise, Mediama, we are also ready to go in there to bring the maximum points. But as I said earlier, blending, mixing the players together, using those who traveled, plan against Dreams FC come this weekend. He just mentioned Bature, as I speak, is on admission at the hospital. Jakpasu also injured. Vital was missing 2 days ago. He just joined the session this morning. And close to finishing, Iblis Nkrumah also got hurt. He's also rushed to the hospital. Meaning, as a coach, if you plan to go by maybe a system and things happens this way, it means you have to readjust yourself and then move on to your plan B. So all that I'm saying is the team will be training tomorrow on arrival in Accra, wherever we are camping. We'll meet there and then reorganize ourselves until we make it known to the players as to what or how we want to approach.
And we are coach Evans Augustine Aduti. So Eddie Tuja. So say work Nina say game pick no there's a game pack pick one. Na game pack pick one no Nina say oh yeah Jumadia Demau ewo Sompa so ye church say akwanya bia 36 numbers na o pick one na one no number no o ye lucky na etimi ba ubenye sika bebre fa phone na dial star 946 star 946 to all networks. Now ube trying from 1 city to 350 Ghana cities. O number no ba pe they say ye tamsi sikana di trend by 26. Sika bebre na ube di uni 18 years and fa ho enyimu ebi. Nature Medics for se enkanche some de drobia be fen menso plus mesia. Na menso plus mesia no ema adropa ne sese mo imfi ho. Ubu nsa moja ne maye wote yawo abra wa konfichire no. Unya menso plus mesia bebo enu achi no. Omo se enkanche some de gasto mesia ba uyam yo ya. Osa ne ha wa ebetu ase de ama. Odu ani kire mo mister ba kuma se Jeffeba. Man Kasim Sasuna Penahaba Cape Coast, Nimdeba or Takrade, Nana Boacheba Wakra, Ebi Watemana, Ekus Pharmacy Washamai, Fre Nature Medics for L0248 778 899. Nabi Bia Mkwe Mfa Mao. And watching the catch of say, Udu any chema, drink a miso fruit drink, and Misa 5G. Misa 5G near drinker. We are Juman Wabre, we are Cassessa, dear Dawson, but Funiana Casse, Unya Misa 5G, a bebwao, and what you know, a dear sir, when you're Dayan Wyamre, 1 and 10 and 50 Bonnie be a sano, a Misa 5G, and watching miso fruit drink, you know, your flavors be or mango flavor, and your pineapple, Unya be a bebwapa, Nina say, program BRC 7 was here, so. No beer to be so your batan we are paying for Sasuna Kwala Panini and Kokrafo no. I have for beer to Minumbi and Cramophonum be a Odwani Chemu and Meme Brabenya Biato, Frenampe, Abra, ye de air 2J 0246270221 0246270221 Ofra. Baby Obiano, you miso fruit drinking, bro. So, auto, so, program now. Biakwe, Misa 5G, no, you'd be brother be biaso, I kama ediamao. Na chocolate luxury for say and can't say. And that your water ganha, at me place order or China, they do goose at their broad momo and betriaka. Nan shani a titiawa. Nina so almost say, Omobabe 1 day seminar be 27th or 28th of October, Ewo Kumasi Krodema. Na Jumadino, as nso ɛbɛkɔ so ɛwɔ engineering guest house a ɛwɔ KNUST Tech na ne nyinaa nso wobɛtua 500 Ghana cedis pɛ na wobɛ ɛbɛma certificate yɛbɛma snacks and drinks ne yɛkyerɛ kwan abɛfa so bɛyisu momo ɛde place order aka noma free China onkɔ hɔ na ɔmo de noma no ɛbɛbrɔ sɛ diapers sɛ phone accessories sɛ deɛ ɔmo de bɛbrɔ ma bia kama frɛ number yi na your registration 0535 017821 and 0508 931 230 ofra chocolate luxury from Pen for Bajo so Nan Komobian Uno Medina Bibia as I find Royal Form Ghana Limited as young cancho sabra na beji mattress papa na dana daye na bibia enkwema one na mattress papa swa one so dayepa one na mattress papa swa ya dear and abe farmer unti Royal Form Ghana Limited beji Royal Form mattress bi ni encho sumie pillow na daso discount ne kama for number 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 na bibia enye kama sciatica ya de bi hani papa na 21st clinic esebra no muntu ase emfa emao ni nyina no se yade so na nkokomu a na ekoto ase na ekum krofo eje nkrofo boso no 21st clinic ene betu ase omde bibidro ese yade bebre omo more than 15 branches e wo Ghana ha utuem ekuma ase a ehwa overseas Johnson Alpha Radio nchenwa ube wo musaso obo ase Council Quarters called Johnson wa ena Accra so mo domi market from 0540 311 311 na bibia enye kama 0540 311 311 na Express Group Force yan kancho osebra na opeso okosua de wa brochiri anase uko na unya scholarship eco school visa na opa ombetuma boama visa no saka ticketing o pe holidays wa brochiri kwa Express Group omsebra na omo emboa no achi no tompo no omde obekwa mebia kama na omse exams bia na wo twere wa brochiri no say GMAT a TOEFL and I agree omo eboa omo branches bebre kuma say omo asafule runabout opiemu Accra so mo Keneshi First Light and Atema Community 18 Lashibi Goye filling station omo be Lashibi eye funeral home hot na be hu omo and opiemu East Legon so bo omo say omo be Trinity Theological Seminar Takrade omo market circle omo ne hot Ernesto fast food ne dia nhwe sunwa so omo Silver House building no omo ben high court wo and Atamale aso no omo ben technical hospital na babia ni so omo ben high court from 0249 000448 0555 555 0067 and 0508 111343 and 0552 827 787 na bibia enya kama na yentwe ye draw na etwa to no yenche sika sesi me pa cho munya draw no emame na yenche obi sesi omo a omutwae no eye Sompa sika promotion omo mutwae no me pa cho yenche omu sika sesi yenche mumfa draw no to sesi na bibia enya kama draw no neguso a ekɔ so dial star 256 star 3 hash o dial star 256 star 3 hash ye chow sika sesi draw no ena eguso a ekɔ so na draw no ena eguso a ekɔ so no draw eno eguso a ekɔ so a why na AD why na ye cheniska yes do di 0558 554 0558 554 last 3 digits no ye de esie na ye be frɛ nipa ne sesia de odi ye no ye ba aba be frɛ no na wodi adanse confirm de akyerɛ ye ese sika ye kya ne no baako de wodi kan nya ne de ene hwan ena kyese ono so edie ni nyina no me pa cho momfrɛ mame na monhwɛ na no yenkeka no mamum na yenkeka no mamum ebre no eya yebe na yenhwɛ nipa na wadi no aha me pa cho yima monye fast mame na yemfrɛ na bibia so enye kama ha eno no de ete no aye Sompa 93.1 kasa fidie sunie live on Sompa TV bibia dedem kama na akira so krobia kuma sasante kotoko esu nations ebehia ewo eye abrankese Dr. Kwame Chee Sports Complex ye the live commentary no eso e de ebebro na bibia so aye kama okay mame nkoso na ye hello okay ye hwese no ma be dedem na de eye Sompa sika promo no wadi sika sisia no ye no so adi nkomo na bibia so aye fine na ya hwe na bibia so dedem kama na ya hwe Okay, yeah. Before I bet my friend now, what do I bring Chaba somehow do I? Yabubosu, and I bet my friend what bring Chaba 0551 931 931. I mean, for hello. Yes, I wouldn't be free.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I wouldn't be free.
But you're free. Me sure no a program which you do. But I swear I am a proposition. I told me contact.
Me about you, we are not wafre. Why? Yeah, that's it. Ofra, obet my friend now also in some outdoor Yabo Bossono now also the Mamfano da Cola. Hallelujah.
Lutake
Oyibo National
Adrato Ipo Papa Fe Lutake
Oyibo
yes sir House of Coach me say and not dear say on fa win my that's ubutimi be ka say uni striker na fendi match na ubo a wo se for no mi Oyibo National na mi be jam na mi se for ni ma wa na and we knew my yeah, the bayo power can't force the name any day. I possibly know I have found. Who I like the years, but the years from my house of Foka. No, but over my Foka, my and no house of Foka, just as that. Yeah, the Bible, yes, to me to be said. Other idea, we are Kofi Besima, my own story of Kofi Besima. We are at the hotel to be my own. But that's a top player, too. And there's some winning match in my to that running. I mean,
Meda say, ya di Jumadi in see. Ahana Bema Kwame di Jumadi no, see. Yes, sorry. Nadia Twaso, Eso Aba, Ote Michael, Akumia the Sports Mizanka, Ote Michael Saribodun Kamidin, Edilu Tekin, Ricardo Varas, Sotenenka, production on a Mephi, Ene Tiwa, Omne Baye, Ebebuame di Jumadi Bro, Boyima MCR, Nana Safu, Omunina Tibeboa, Bra Kevin Mon, Enet Bibuame di Jumadino, Ebaye, Ebedao, Yed Jumadinesi, Yedobi Biase, Yakral.
Wante unipeduas